we fucking live? Yes, we are. Yeah, the audio's working. I thought it wasn't working. So, yeah, we are live. I'm very, very happy to be back. As always, people gonna keep working on Spaceman Memories. Remember that game? So, yeah, very, very happy to be back here, people. Yesterday was an epic night. I hope today we can have a lot of fun. We have Nick on YouTube, dude. Thank you for being back, dude. I have seen that you have been very, very busy. Yeah, so how's life, dude? Thank you for being here. Appreciate your time, dude. Your attention. We've got Anthony Gaming on Twitch, who says, hi, dude. Hi, my dude. Si Titan on Twitch. What's up, my dude? Francisco Velasquez on YouTube. What's up? Yeah, so people, thank you for being here already. Just at the start of the stream, I really appreciate this. Yeah, this sounds like it's gonna be a lot of fun. Like yesterday, some epic ass live stream yesterday. Let's hope that today it can be as epic as yesterday. So thank you, people. How's everyone? Anthony, have you been working? Si Titan, what's up? Nick, I saw, dude, that you have been like very, very busy. Yeah, dude, that's life, right? Yeah, dude, that's life. So I completely understand it. I hope that everything's going well, by the way. Okay, so yesterday we were working at the end of the stream. So I've been working on these houses, remember? I've been working on the houses. I made like the props for this one. Get out like the texture on this one. It's too flat, right? And I was working on the other props for this one. So let me show you. Blockbench was closed. Let me check. Oh yeah, it's this one. So we were working on the props for this one at the end of the stream yesterday. Nick says on YouTube, yeah, I've been really busy with work and some music stuff. I saw that you were recording orchestras and shit, dude. That sounds like some hard shit to do, my dude. It's impressive work, dude. Yeah, very impressive work, Nick. I imagine that it's not easy, dude, and that's why you're very busy. But how's life? How's your game dev been going? Or you haven't like had any time for game dev stuff? See, Titan, what have you worked on, Anthony? Yeah, what have you worked on, people? Yeah, okay, so Friday nerd night. Just hanging out, making games, talking shit, having fun. Let's fucking start. Okay, so I was gonna continue on this one. Let me just fire Obsidian so I can see like the reference. We can see like the colors of some of these props. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so here it is, Obsidian. Okay, so this is the one that I was thinking to make, right? I'm thinking about the beverages that go inside there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to add like like another material just for the glass. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, for sure, for fucking sure. So let's do that. Yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna be a mask material. Yeah, okay, so let me figure this one out. Just to use the same material on the whole meshes. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. See, Titan says commission finished. Awesome, dude. How was it? What was it about? Anthony says on Twitch, I've been working. I am doing a chest inventory where you can put stuff inside it and get stuff out of it. Shit, dude, like Minecraft, right? Good stuff. Calavero says, what's up on Twitch? Yeah, dude. I told you it's better on Twitch. Isn't it fun? Nick says some new names here. Hell yeah. Dude, it's been some crazy last few weeks. Yesterday, people were bullying me and pushing me to dance. And I kept telling them, I am not gonna fucking dance, people. You're fucking crazy. I'm just gonna dance if you start donating subscribers. And HazeDev did it, dude. He donated, so I had to fucking dance. Yeah, we've got many new people, my dude. Yeah, it's really cool. See, Titan says, Strike Fighter yet? Oh, dude. Anthony Gaming redeemed punish someone's avatar on screen. Who do you want me to punish, Anthony? Not a bot. Has to be a person. See, Titan, can you show the commission or is it like private? You have an NDA on that work. Nick says on YouTube, I took a little break from game dev stuff, but I'm ramping it up back soon. My dude, we are all looking forward to seeing you come back to the community, posting, seeing what you post and shit. I understand, dude. One has to work, right, and eat and survive and shit. So I understand that you have to dedicate more time to your work, dude. So I hope that everything goes well. Anthony Gaming says, Si Titan, you want me to punish Si Titan's avatar? Okay, let's do that one. So where's Si Titan? Let me find Si Titan. Where are you? Okay, here you are. So I'm gonna sling you 3 times, and then I'm gonna hang you up there, C Titan. These are the rules. I am very sorry. Oh, dude, I was just gonna fucking hang myself. I ended up hanging myself because I was trying to grab C Titan. So C Titan, you're gonna be up there. You're punished, dude. These are the rules. That's what the points are for. Okay, so let me check out the chat again. So C Titan says I can send you the page. Your eyes will bleed. I don't think so, dude. Yeah, we don't discriminate against anyone's work and shit. Everybody has their own style. Everybody is in a different way of knowledge in different things. So don't worry about it, Cititan. Cititan says to Anthony, I've been cursed. You have been cursed. Calavero says, how was it yesterday? Dude, Anthony was here. Cititan, were you here when I danced, dude? When people bullied me to dance? Anthony was here, dude. The conversations were immaculate, dude. The conversations were fucking crazy. And at the end of the stream, I had to dance. So yesterday was a really, really epic live stream. I just posted a clip on my Instagram about it. Let me link it so you people can see it, what I'm talking about. This is like a recap of yesterday's live stream. Yeah, I'm gonna link it. I'm gonna link it there in the chat so you can see what happened. Okay, so there it is in chat. This is the recap, the summary of yesterday's live stream. There it is. Titan says on Twitch, well, I think the eyeglass will protect it. Search Shiprivin Sketchfab. And no, I didn't definitely see the dance. Oh shit, dude. Yeah, that's too bad. So you can check it out there on the clip on Instagram. So Shipriv in Sketchfab. Okay, let me look at that, dude, before we start texturing these assets. So that's what I'm gonna work on today at the beginning of the live stream. I may do other things, right, with Crocotile, Blockbench. But I want to start with the texturing because that's where I was yesterday. So let me check what you're talking about, Titan. Yeah, so sketch fab. Let me check out. Oh, so this is you, dude? Yeah, this is you. Oh, you model planes, right? Yeah, you that's what I'm seeing, that you model planes. Oh, good shit, dude. Good shit. The Suhoi. Fuck yeah, dude. Let's fucking go. Oh shit, yeah. It's Titan. This doesn't make my eyes bleed. Not at all, dude. This is like the thing that I fucking like. Dude, your models are very nice. Congratulations, dude. Oh, what the fuck is this, dude? This one looks cool, dude. Dude, congratulations, Titan. Cool shit, my dude. Congrats. Did you do all of this in Blender, dude? Blockbench, which one are you using? I can see some are low poly or maybe all are low poly. Cool shit, my dude. Yeah. Okay, let's do the bomb run redeemed by C-Titan. Yeah, let's do the bomb run. Fuck it. Okay, bomb run coming in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Bomb run happening. C-Titan just fell just when the bomb run was starting. Yeah, dude, Titan, that's really, really cool work, dude. Thank you for sharing it. That's cool, dude. Whenever you have something to share like that, dude, post it on the Discord. You never know who's gonna get inspired by your work, dude. Yeah, don't be afraid about it. Yeah, just show it. Yeah, dude, cool shit. Okay, let me read comments. Nick says, I've gotta go, my dude. Have a good night. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for saying hi. Looking forward to seeing you one of these other days, my dude. Thank you. Really, really appreciate your support. Yeah, so Nick says on YouTube, have fun. Gotta go. Have an early morning, but can't wait to get back to here with y'all more regularly again. Yeah, dude, this is a very good friend of the community, people. Yeah, one of the first people that came in this year and started supporting the channel. So thank you, Nick. Appreciate you, dude. Have a good night. C-Titan says, I cast bomb. Yeah, dude. There they are, the bombs. Calavera says, nicely done. Really, really nicely done, C-Titan. Good shit. C-Titan says you're using Blockbench and a phone. That's why the quality is bad. Dude. Yeah, I remember this conversation. Dude. Calavera says, phone? How's that even possible? Yeah, dude. You can run Blockbench on the web. And this guy is doing all of this shit on the fucking phone. So, dude, you rock. You fucking rock, C-Titan. Yeah, dude, for fucking real. That is some crazy shit. Your models are really cool, dude. And it blows my mind that you're doing them on a phone. For fucking sure. Yeah, Titan says that Blockbench can be used on a phone. It can be. Anthony says, after I get done with stuff, I will post some stuff in the Discord. Let me know, dude. Let me know. Okay, good shit, people. Titan, inspiring shit, dude. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to do the shit that you're doing on a motherfucking phone, dude. You're amazing. That is some amazing work. Okay, let's bring this one here. Okay, let me just set up the layout to work. And here, this one. Okay, awesome. I'm just gonna move some of this stuff there so you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. There it is. Calavero says a prodigy. Yeah, dude. Yeah, this guy's cooking. This guy's really fucking cooking. Titan says, but yeah, skills better than me. Dude, one has to keep getting better, right? You never have to believe like you're the best in the world, but at the same time you gotta recognize when you have done good work. And I think that you have done good work, my dude. Congratulations on the things that you've made with Blockbench on the phone, dude. Yeah, dude. Yeah, props to you. Do not underestimate yourself. Not at all, dude. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the things that you're gonna do when you're able to get a computer in your hands, for fucking sure, dude. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna do the beverages later. See, Titan sending the emojis. Yeah, dude. Cool shit, my dude. For fucking real. I'm not like joking just to make you stay here. I'm not milking your attention in any way. I'm like being really fucking real, dude. That is some amazing shit what you're doing with Blockbench on the phone. Yeah, that's not common, dude. So just keep working hard, dude. You'll get even better than you are. Okay, so let's start texturing. These are cardboard boxes, right? Yeah, let's do the cardboard boxes first. Let me select everything so we can start texturing all of this. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this all into a group. Yeah, so we can have the house as a separate asset. Okay, at group, there it is. Okay, so do we have it? Yeah, fuck yes. Okay, let's create the texture. This is gonna be combined islands. I'm thinking this one would be like enough. 64. Maybe let me check it out if 64 in density is enough. Yes, it is. That's the one. Yeah, more than enough. So, Anthony, let me know when you have anything to show, by the way. And anyone else watching, wherever you're watching, YouTube or Twitch or Kick, just let me know. You have any questions? The chat is open. Go ahead. Okay, so... See, Titan, by the way, are these commissions for a game, dude? How was it? Seraxi says, hello, people, my dude. Thank you for being back here. How's life and shit? Yeah, Seraxi's on the house on Twitch. Thank you, dude. Thank you for coming in. So I'm just starting where I left off yesterday, dude. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Trying to keep things going where I was yesterday. So I'm just gonna start painting stuff. This one. Yeah, that one is a cool color. Fuck yeah. See, Titan says, I don't know if it's for games. Oh, so just a commission, right? Yeah, good, cool stuff. Yeah, doesn't matter, dude. The planes look really cool. Seraxis says, doing great. How are you, all of you people? We are good, dude. Just having fun, having chill conversations. I'm just starting the stream, right? You can see that, obviously. So I'm just starting, getting the hang of what I want to do today. As I said yesterday, I wanted to work on the texturing of these assets, right? To bring them into Unreal Engine. So yeah, what about you, dude? What have you worked on today? Okay, so this one's like okay, we've got, okay, these ones are AC units. How about this one? Yeah, let's do the ladder. Yeah, fuck yeah. Okay, so this one, it's like dark. There it is. Okay, awesome. So Seraxis says, awesome, dude. Yeah, dude. How about you? How's life? What did you work on today? Yeah, were you here yesterday at the end of the stream? Dude, I was like way too fucking overwhelmed and having fun and shit to remember everyone that was here at the end of the stream when I started dancing. Were you here? Were you laughing at that? Or you weren't here? Okay, let's do faces. Yeah. Okay, so maybe this is too white. Maybe, yeah, too light. Maybe something darker. Yeah, it makes more sense. It could be like too white. Seraxi says I'm working on something new in Blender. Oh, cool stuff, dude. Yeah, everybody's like using Blender, dude. Now I'm like, so when I started this year live streaming, I was like feeling people started pressuring me to use Blockbench, and I was like, cause I was using only Crocotile, right? Now I use the two. People were telling me you gotta use Blockbench and shit, and I was like, chill down, people. It's not easy for me to learn another software, and now I'm feeling the same thing with Blender, dude. I see all of you people working with Blender, and now I'm like, oh shit. Gotta sit the fuck down and learn Blender in a better way. Seraxi says, sadly, no, you were tired. Dude, people made me fucking dance. Yeah, I kept telling, I'm not gonna dance, motherfuckers. I am not gonna do it. And I made a deal. I said, if you start donating subscribers, I'm gonna dance. And Hazedev did it, dude. Yeah, so fair is fair. I had to do it. Had to pay back to the community. That's how we roll here. Okay, so that one's cool. Let's paint here. See, Titan says, how's the plugin? Seraxi says, yo, what? Yeah, dude. Yeah. Yeah, that was some epic shit. Epic moment. Because I think you have, all of you had never seen me stand from this fucking chair in like the 270, 60 hours that I've live streamed on Twitch this year. So that was the first time that I even stand up from the chair, dude. So me just standing up to fucking dance, that was some epic shit, dude. Titan says, how's the plugin? Which one, dude? Which one? Seraxi says, true, no dancing if there's no money. Yeah, dude. Yeah. This is how we roll in the nightclubs. You gotta throw in the dollars like that if you want me to dance. Oh shit, that was so fun. That was so funny, dude. It was very unexpected, but it happened. Serax is laughing your ass off. Titan says, M-Tools, dude. I was trying it and I have to watch tutorials. I thought that I was gonna be able to figure out by myself, but I couldn't. So I have been a bit busy with some work that I had to finish. But I'm thinking that I have to watch a tutorial for that one. I couldn't figure it out by myself. I thought it was gonna be easier, and I'm imagining that it's very powerful, right? So that's why it's not like very straightforward on how it works. So yeah, gotta figure it out, my dude. Yeah, gotta figure it out. Yeah, I'm just being real with you. I tried to do some things with it, and yeah, I couldn't. Yeah, I couldn't. So I gotta watch tutorials. Do you have any tutorial recommendations for this one, Titan, about M-Tools? Okay, let's try the paintbrush. Okay, I'm just gonna paint some random shit here, like this. Yeah, maybe bigger, a bit bigger, right? Yeah, like this. Okay, so yeah, cool stuff for the boxes. Yeah, just some random spots here and there to make them look more natural and shit. Okay, this one's too light. Yeah, so we need another tone for this one. Okay, there it is. So then I'm gonna bring the texture from Pixel Basher, as always, right? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so we've got those ones. We've got the boxes. The AC units, those are tricky, people. Those are tricky. I have some that I made, so maybe I should just use the ones that I have, that I fucking have. Yeah. Yeah, we've got these ones. It doesn't even make a lot of sense to remake them again, because those ones already look decent. Okay, yeah, so I'm thinking that I'm gonna delete those two cubes. Yeah, for sure. Seraxi says, so how's modeling so far, nerdy? Dude, it has been good. It has been fun. These last few days, because as you all have seen, I've been working on these houses. Yeah, I was thinking about new styles for houses and places, like smaller towns and shit. Yeah, like a new vibe. So these are the houses I've been working on. Seems like they are shops. In the next few days, I may work on the interiors of these houses. Yeah, this one is like a restaurant. This one is like, yeah, this one is like a cafeteria. This one's like a convenience shop and shit. So yeah, I may do that on the next few days. Work on the inside of these specific places. That would be a good experiment. So the modeling has been good, dude. Has been fun and shit. Yeah, as always. I'm just having fun with Blockbench, dude. Just like with Crocotile. So yeah, things are good, Seraxis. Thank you for asking. See, Titan, do you use a lot of M tools, dude? In Blockbench in the phone? Do you use it a lot? Is it like one of your go-to plugins? Okay, so I'm just gonna delete this one. I think that doesn't break the UVs. Yeah, I'm pretty fucking sure. Okay, so let's do the vending machine. Yeah, cause I gotta add the beverage. Oh shit! I shouldn't have done this. I had to do the inside with the beverages and shit. Oh shit! Yeah, I shouldn't have created this texture. That is disorganized. Now I'm gonna have to shit, yeah, let me think about it. Yeah, now I'm gonna have to use two materials. Do not want to use two materials on this one. Just want to place one material in shed and make it straightforward. Saraxi says, very good, thank you, my dude. Titan says, I just found it 4 days ago. Wish knew it ages ago. Oh, so it's been helping you that much, dude? So that I couldn't figure it out, dude. Yeah, I couldn't figure it out. I have to watch a tutorial. Did you watch any tutorial in chat, or was it like very easy for you to start using it? Okay, so yeah, dude, the beverages. I started texturing. Now the UVs are not part of this texturing shit. Yo, so Titan rated you with a party of 1 viewer? Dude, thank you. Were you live streaming right now? Dude, that is crazy. You were here in chat and also live streaming. Dude, thank you. Thank you. So Titan says go blindly to the plugin. Oh, so dude, I couldn't figure out. So what is the best way in which you use it? Dude, were you live streaming right now on Twitch? That is fucking crazy, dude. I saw that you rated right now and I was like, holy shit. You were talking in chat and also live streaming. How does that even work? Yeah. That's cool, dude. Thank you. Appreciate it, Titan. Okay, so yeah, the beverages. This was fucking stupid. I'm gonna delete all of this shit. Yeah. It's gonna be disorganized if I do it in that way. So Titan says mainly for terrain. Oh, so that's how it works better, right? Yeah. That makes sense, dude. Because I'm doing more things like this ones, right? Like props and shit, smaller stuff. So yeah, maybe if I was working on terrain, I would try and use it more. So it's cool that you're using it on terrain, the plugin, dude. Because I was reading about it on the description, and it seems like it is very powerful. Yeah, for sure. Okay, let's do the beverages. Yeah, this was fucking stupid. Very disorganized. So these are cylinders. Yeah, very simple cylinders. I'm just gonna duplicate them. So cylinder, diameter, height. Maybe height is gonna be 4. Diameter is gonna be like 10. Sides can be like 10. How does this one look? Yeah, this one's cool. Yeah, I can work with this one. Yeah, okay. Let's keep going. So the size of this one, let's do 4 and 4 here. Yeah, too big still. 2 and 2. Okay, there it is. Awesome. Yo, Titan, dude, what the fuck happened there with that raid? That said Titan raided you with a party of 1 viewer. That was crazy, dude. Yeah. Titan says in making some text. Oh, mainly for terrain and making text. Oh, so you're doing text in Blockbench, dude? Dude, that is some amazing shit. Dude, I know that you underestimate yourself, and for me that's fucking crazy, dude, because you're the first person that I meet that is modeling in Blockbench on a phone, and I believe you, dude. I totally believe you, cause yeah, you told me, right? You do it out of necessity. So yeah, dude, good stuff, good shit. Okay, let's do this once. Okay, there it is. Okay, awesome. We've got the beverages now. Let's make this one taller. Yeah, let's make this ones the ones on the top a bit taller. Yeah, just so they look a bit different. Okay, awesome. So how about down here? Yeah, nothing. Yeah, fuck it. What else? Let me add the glass. Yeah, I'm gonna do the glass here, so then maybe I can do it with the material there in in Unreal Engine. Yeah, with the same material. Yeah, let's try and do it with the mask material. Okay, so let's do cuboid. Yeah, so we can do the glass. Yeah, I'm just gonna have it here right now, just as a placeholder and shit, and because it's not gonna be transparent, right? So I gotta make it transparent. Oh, maybe I can do the transparency here already. Yeah, we've got the brush with the transparency and shit. So maybe I'm just gonna try and do it here. Okay, so let's resize this one. Let's do this one. Okay, so fuck yeah. Okay, people, remember, if you're watching, wherever you're watching, you can find a pinned message on the chat, on Twitch and on YouTube. That is the link to my game, Spaceman Memories, on Steam. I would really, really appreciate it if you shared it with your friends and shit. Yeah, you add it to your wish list. If you want to support me, like, this is the best way of supporting me. Yeah, for sure. Adding the game to your wish list and sending it to your friends and shit. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for doing that, people. If you have already done it, thank you. I appreciate it. If you haven't done it, there it is, the link. You can find it on the pinned message. Okay, so yeah, the glass. Let's do everything again. Yeah, let's do the texturing again. You're gonna see how I'm gonna turn that one. So it could be just a plane. Yeah, doesn't need to be. Yeah, it's just needs to be a plane. Doesn't need to be a cube. So let's do it with the plane. Yeah, much better. Yeah, way better idea. Yeah, that wasn't smart of me. Not smart, NerdyPunkDev. Okay, this one, let's do the rotation 90. There it is. Awesome. Let's bring it back. Okay, awesome. So let's resize this one. Let's do it here. Let's move it. I'm just gonna resize it a bit down here. Okay, there it is, the glass. Yeah, you're gonna see how this one works when I do the transparency, the opacity on the painting of the texture now. Okay, so let's do all of this again. So all of these ones, they're the same group. Yeah, let's create the texture again. And we were saying that 64 was the one. Yeah, this one's gonna be small house 03 and props. Awesome. And do not combine islands. Fuck yeah. And let's confirm. Let's try first the opacity. Oh, coffee stream bot already. Oh, 34 minutes. Fuck yeah. Let's keep fucking going. So thank you, people, for watching. I appreciate your support. Do not forget to follow and subscribe wherever you are watching. Yo, Seraxis, what's up, dude? Yeah, what's up? You've been very silent in these last few minutes. I always enjoy the conversation with you, Seraxis. If you are still there, by the way, or anyone else that's still there, chat. Let's start talking. Yeah, let's keep this shit going. Yeah, I'm trying to lock in, right, and work, but at the same time, we come here to chat. Seraxis says I'm still here. Good, dude. Thank you for your quick, swift response. Yeah, how's your Friday, dude? What are you gonna do for your weekend? What are the vibes for the weekend? Do you go out? Do you stay to play games? Do you stay to make games? Yeah, what is the vibe? Okay, so let's do the painting. This one. Let me select this one. Yeah, I'm just gonna paint all of this one with the paint bucket. Okay, yeah, this is what I was looking for. So this is what I'm gonna do. Check it out. So opacity, we're gonna change it to a bit of a blue. Anthony says, why I'm not talking? I am working on my game. Good, dude, don't worry. So just stay to listen and shit. Lock in, work on your game. Don't worry about it. Seraxi says, I'm learning a Blender course. Oh, dude, is it a free course or a paid one? Good shit, dude. Yeah, that's interesting, dude. Yeah, I gotta take a Blender course, dude. Yeah, all of you people have been pushing me to do something like that. Now I feel like a bit guilty. Okay, so opacity. Yeah, let's bump it up. We have no opacity here in Blockbench. Yeah, how does this one work? Let me try two. Okay, face, paint bucket. Yeah, let me try this on another layer. Yeah, I'm gonna undo. Let's undo. Seraxi says played one about environment design. Paid one, sadly. Okay, so it's not free. Good, dude. You gotta invest in your education. This is how it is. Education is there on the internet, and sometimes you gotta pay for it. Sometimes you can grab it for free on YouTube or wherever. You gotta do what you gotta do. Seraxi says on Twitch, but I buy these courses when there is some hot deals. Where? They're in Udemy? Is this on Udemy? Udemy has some good deals from like very common, right? Like every 2 weeks you get the good deals on Udemy. The fuck is happening, dude? Okay, 255. Okay, there it is. Okay, so this one. Let me create some layers. Enable layers. Let's create a new layer for this one. And I'm gonna erase all of this one. Yeah, let me create the size. Okay. Huh. Okay, there it is. Okay, so we've got the opacity now. Oh, shit. Yeah, gotta be careful with this. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this one. And then the other layer, I'm gonna paint it. Yeah, let's go into this layer. Let's paint it a bit of blue. Seraxi says some courses are like $90 with hot deals. You can take it with 20 or even 10. Yeah, yep, Udemy, dude. Yeah. It for me it would be like fucking crazy, dude. It's so shitty to say this, right, for the creators of the courses, but I cannot afford this $90, $100 courses, dude. So I will always grab them. With the hot deals, and the hot deals are very common in Udemy. That is just the reality of things. I think that it's better for the creators. They make more money from the deals than people buying the $90 courses, because only a small amount of people would buy them. Yeah. HM says, what's up, nerdy? What's up, my dude? Thank you for being back. How are you? How are you? Yesterday was some crazy ass night, HM. What's up, dude? How was sleep for you and shit? How's your Friday night going? So I'm just doing the texturing, dude. Yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. Let's do the paint bucket. Let's paint that face, dude. I'm trying to paint that face. Yeah, let me try it with the rough shape. Okay, there it is. Fuck yeah. Let's do this one here. And let's reduce the opacity. Does this work? Does this work? Yes, it fucking works. Fuck yeah. See, Titan says, in this minute right now, I just found out another plugin for camera in Blockbench. I need to go. Gonna try it. Okay, my dude. Hope you enjoy your time working with the new plugin, dude. I think I know the one that you're talking about, dude. Yeah, I was watching it yesterday in the Blockbench plugin stuff. So, yeah, there was one about cameras. Polyfilm on the motherfucking house on Twitch. Polyfilm says my first programming course was a Udemy one in Python. If you have localized prices, they can be pretty cheap. But man, there is a lot of garbage there. Yeah, Polyfilm, you are right, dude. One has to be careful in Udemy. So the best thing is to check out the reviews and shit. Check out that there are not bot reviews and shit. Because you can find a lot of bad courses in Udemy. Yeah, you gotta be really, really careful. But the best courses in the world, yes, you can find them there. Yeah, for fucking sure. Oh shit, WASD, control viewport navigation. The fuck? Let's install this plugin. Let's install that shit. Does this work? Dude, does this work? Dude, let me check this out. Yeah, that one sounds like Unreal Engine, so let's try that one. So, can be enabled from the view menu. Okay, view menu, WASD movement. Okay, let's check this shit out. Oh, check it out. Oh, shit. Just like Unreal Engine, dude. Fuck yeah, Blockbench. That's cool, dude. We've got WASD movement now. HM says, all good, my man. How's your day? It has been good, dude. Chill day and shit. Good Friday. Enjoying my time. Coming here to chill, to work, do the textures and shit. How about you? What have you worked on today in Unreal? Seraxi says, if you want to buy a course in Udemy, I search for the tutor of the course and the reviews. Yeah, dude. But even though with the reviews, sometimes you can really get a bad course. So one has to be very careful about it. Yeah. What Polyphim said is very, very true. Yeah, for sure. Dude, I'm now like I am lost now, because yeah, it broke the mouse movement in a way. No, I'm just gonna stay with the regular movement. Yeah, I'm gonna stay with the regular one. Yeah, that one works for Unreal Engine. Galaxy says, do you want to buy a course? Yeah, that one. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna stay with the regular movement. That felt a bit weird here in Blockbench. It sounded good on my mind and my brain, like my self conversation. But then when I tried it, I was like, oh yeah, that feels weird here in Blockbench. Okay, so let's continue, people. Let's go into the painting mode. Let's do the the vending machine. Okay, let's find like that tone of red. This one, paint bucket. Let's do it on this layer. Yeah, so element, there it is. Yeah, that one looks cool. We were meaning to do the boxes, right? Yeah, it's too bad that I'm having to do this again, but I didn't have the beverages there. So yeah, fuck me. Alexis says, didn't know there's plugins for Blockbench. There is, dude. There is, and they are free. You just go to plugins and there they are. You just install them here from the UI. Yeah, very easy to do it. There's some crazy ass plugins here, dude. That, like that Rainbow Road game. Like, the fuck is that, dude? Turn your model into a race car and take it for a spin. It's a mini game, dude. The fuck is that, dude? The fuck is that? Let me check that out. Let's turn one of these models into a car. What the fuck does that even mean, Blockbench? Yeah. So let's try this one. Yeah, the frog. Let's do the frog. So let me try that plugin, because what the fuck does that even mean? Rainbow Road game. You can start the race by clicking the play button at the top center of the viewport. Okay. So let's install this one. Dude, if this shit works, the fuck? Oh, check it out. Oh shit, yeah. Let's dude, the fuck is happening, Blockbench? Yeah, dude, we've got a rainbow road and I can move the frog through the rainbow road and shit. And check it out. I can grab things there. Yeah, Blockbench is crazy, dude. Check out this plugin. This is some crazy ass shit, dude. We're playing Mario Kart inside Blockbench. Yeah. Shit, check out the frog moving around. Fuck yeah. We have high scores and shit. Yeah, dude. The fuck is happening there? I'm gonna disable that plugin. It must be using a lot of resources. So that was cool. Seraxi says, cool shit. What the fuck is that? Yeah, what the fuck was that? What thought of that, dude? Yeah, who thought of that? Who thought of the Rainbow Road from Mario Kart here in Blockbench? Hitchum says, what the fuck? What the fuck indeed, dude? That was some epic ass moment. I'm gonna be testing some of these plugins just for the sake of playing around with them throughout the live stream today. That was some funny one. Yeah, yeah, it really blew my mind doing that inside Blockbench. Yeah, so check it out. It is a cool software, people. Blockbench is cool for fucking sure. Oh shit, Bomber on the fin screen avatars redeemed by Anthony Gaming. Let's fucking go, Anthony. Thank you for using the points. Let's do the bomb run. Let's see who goes flying the most here. Polyphim, where are you, dude? You still here, dude? How's life? I saw you were working on some music and shit. Wanna see more of that, dude? When you have anything to show, please do on the Discord with your music stuff, Polyphim. Okay, so Seraxis is flying the most, it seems. Yeah, so go flying out, Seraxis. I'm just gonna nuclear bomb Seraxis. Yeah. So goodbye, Seraxis. Yeah. So thank you for using the points, my dude Anthony. That was really, really cool. Thank you. Let's keep going. So Polyphim says, yeah, trying out Yuzu Paint, a Blender add-on. Oh shit, let me check that one out. Yeah, let me check that one out. How about the music stuff, dude? I see you've been cooking with the music stuff. Yeah, Yuku Paint or Yuzu Paint. It's a Blender add-on to manage texture layers for the Eevee and Cycles renderer. Oh. Oh, it looks cool, dude. It looks like... Is this like Substance, dude? To paint 3D models? Yeah, layer-based painting. Yeah, is it like Substance inside Blender? That's the vibe of Yuku Paint. Yeah, dude, looks nice. Genki Dev says, bro, what's up, dude? Dude, I know that, bro. It's like, bro, you're back here after that crazy night we all had yesterday. That was like, yeah, some crazy night yesterday. Genki Dev, what's up, dude? Polyphil says, I'm good, hungry, and my music sucks. Dude, I don't think your music sucks. You are a good visual artist. And most of the time, visual artists make good music. So whenever you want to show it, we'll want to hear it, Polyphim. Polyphim says it has layer support, so you can paint like in Photoshop. Yeah, dude, I was seeing that. That's really cool. That's some good plugin. Seraxis says, have you seen the grease pencil in Blender, Nerdy? No, dude. The only thing that I made in Blender, dude, was rigging a mecha. The mecha that I had been working on, I modeled it in Crocotile, and I haven't done anything else in Blender. No modeling, no texturing, no anything. I do not know anything about Blender. Polyphim says, I read that one. Okay, Seraxi says, it's a really beast tool that you can make some cool, awesome shit with it. Yeah, dude, I gotta sit down because I'm feeling the peer pressure from all of you people. Gotta sit down and learn Blender in a good way. Genki Dev says on YouTube, I'm good, bro. Still thinking about your dancing. Dude, I posted it on Instagram. Did you saw it on Instagram? Some funny ass stupid video that I posted. Yeah. Yeah, that was some crazy ass shit, dude. Yeah, it's good, dude, that I don't give a fuck anymore at this point in my life. Because if not, I would be feeling really embarrassed today when like in the morning I would have like a hungover and thinking like, did I just fucking dance on Twitch yesterday live? I would feel like that if I was younger. I don't give a fuck anymore, so I just felt proud of it. That was really fun. Polyphim says to Seraxis, I tried to do an animation today on grease pencil, but without any knowledge about it, it just made me mad. Yeah, dude, tools are like that. I was saying the same thing to Titan. It's better to learn the thing before trying to use it. If not, you're just gonna get mad. Seraxi says, take your time. Whenever you feel comfortable, then you learn the program. Yeah, dude. It would be better when I feel comfortable because I'm in the middle of making this game, polishing the demo and shit, releasing for some festivals and shit. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna keep at this workflow right now, and then I'm gonna get good at Blender in a future time. Polyphim says, yeah, the short clip was fun. Oh, you saw it. You saw it on Instagram, dude. People must think like, oh shit, this guy is so cringe. What the fuck is up with this guy? And I'm like, I don't give a fuck, motherfuckers, anymore. Fuck you. You can laugh at me. I come here to the internet to do stupid shit, and I'm gonna keep doing it. Yeah, the video was fun, Polyphim. It is fun. Polyphim says, yeah, gonna need to watch a tutorial for Yuzu Paint. Blender having so many options and menus and shit. This is intuitive at all. Yeah, that's what I keep telling to all of you. Blender has a lot of menus and shit, and it makes me overwhelmed, dude. Yeah, it makes me overwhelmed. It would be better for me just to learn it in a future moment, right? Yeah, because learning a new software in the middle of making the game, and this is like the last part of making this game this next few months. I want to finish it. So yeah, for sure, I'm gonna learn Blender in a good way, but it's gonna be a bit in the future for sure. Seraxi says, Polyphim, yeah, it takes time. I'm still at the beginning, but I've seen some cool shit on YouTube. Yeah, dude, I imagine. Dude, like the coolest shit that we can see on YouTube or anywhere with Blender is Flow, right? Yeah, that movie really shows us what you can do with Blender, what can you achieve, and where can you get in life with Blender. Anthony Gaming sending the cool emojis. Thank you for using that one, dude. That is the capsule of my game, the capsule of the spaceman of my game, people. So thank you, Anthony. Polyphene says to Seraxis, but I did it frustrated. It did frustrated you today. Yeah, dude. That's what happens when one doesn't go and learn the tools and read the documentation or watch tutorials. Because one thing's that everything's gonna be intuitive, and no, dude, not everything's gonna be intuitive. Yeah, for sure. Seraxis to Polyphene says, all of us, man. All of us, dude. Yeah, I constantly do that shit. I'm like, oh, I'm so smart. I'm gonna go and use this tool without watching any tutorials or anything. Or the documentation. And then I'm like, oh, shit. Yeah, I should have watched something about this. Yeah, I'm fucking stupid. And yeah, that's all of us. That's totally all of us. Okay, let's make this one. This one's a bit like this. Yeah, I'm trying to use like different colors, different tones for each set of the boxes. Okay, how about the ladder? Okay, there it is. Okay, awesome. So now things are good. Let's do the vending machine. Okay, so how the fuck am I gonna do this one? Yeah, let me do the projection. Yeah, let me do the projection, because I'm gonna have to paint this one inside. It's way easier for me to do what I'm gonna try and do if I do it inside Aseprite and not here. So let me do the UV projection for these faces. So let's go back here. Let's select those faces. Okay, so all of these faces from the front. Boxes, I need to remove you, dude. Okay, I'm gonna move these boxes right now. Just right now. I'm gonna bring them back to where they are. Okay, awesome. Okay, let's do it again. Let me select all of these boxes. I'm gonna do the UV projection so I can paint this inside Aseprite in an easier way. It would be like, I could do it here, but it would be way too difficult. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so this one, let's do the UV projection. UV project from you. There it is. Let me grab up those faces and shit. Let's bring them down here. Yeah, check it out. There it is, the projection. Yeah, it looks nice. So let me move it. How am I gonna do this one? Polyphene says on Twitch, this stuff is my goal in Blender. Okay, let me check that out, dude. Polyphene says, because I'm an idiot. Welcome to the club, dude. Welcome to the club of the idiots. That's how it is, dude. That's how it is. I'm not gonna say you're not an idiot, because maybe you are, just like me. It's hard to learn new things. For me, it's hard to become good in shit. I'm a very slow learner, dude. Yeah, so I get you, Polyphene. I get you, totally get you where this is coming from. We don't mean this in an offensive way to idiots. Okay, dude, I'm trying to check the link. It says page not found. Let me click it again. Yeah, let me open it again on my other browser. Taraxis says, Polyphene, yo, that shit is clean, dude. Okay, yeah. So my browser did. Okay, I found it. I found it on my other browser. Yeah, let me bring it here into the main monitor. So this is what Polyphene says that. Oh, the fuck, dude. The fuck is this? Yo, Polyphene. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. This is some pro shit, dude. Yeah, you just made me feel stupid with my low poly vending machine. And my lame ass houses. Holy shit. Check this out, dude. Yeah, dude. This Emily Stabell is a fucking pro. Yeah, she is a fucking pro. Dude, this looks so nice. Yeah, thank you for sharing it, Polyphene, but also making me feel like shit, because I cannot do that. Serax is laughing. Yeah, dude, I cannot do that shit. I get inspired by those things, but I also feel like shit. So it's good. It's good feeling like shit, because it pushes you to try to be fucking better. Yeah. Don't be a pussy. Be okay knowing that there are people better than you, and keep working until you get close to them. Polyphene says, yeah, God stuff. That is some God stuff, dude. Seraxi says true. Yeah, dude. Yeah, people don't like in these times to hear that truth. There are people better than you. There are people that work harder than you. That's why they are better than you and shit. And if you want to be good, you shouldn't be always feeling good about yourself. You gotta push yourself and understand that you have limitations and keep working towards getting rid of those limitations. Yeah, I don't mean it in a bad way. Okay, let's do the projection. Let's paint this one. So, how about these faces? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna paint this one in a very horrible yellow. Yeah, okay, there it is. Yeah, just so I have a reference of what the place that I want to paint. Here, there in. Do I even need to do this? No, I don't even need to do this. Yeah, let me try this again with the red. Oh shit! The fuck! The fuck! Okay, let me bring this one into Aseprite. Polyphone says, been studying the hell of those models, how the UVs are laid out. See how you can do my own illustration. Dude, can you download those models and you can see the UVs in Blender and shit? That's how it works? Oh shit, that's cool, dude. If it is how it works. Polyphone says, now I just need to sacrifice a cat or a newborn to the gods so I can bypass all the work. You should, dude. I would sacrifice both the cat or the newborn to the gods. We know about this polythene. We are Latin Americans. We know about sacrificing newborns to the gods because we know about the Incas, the Mayans, the Aztecs. So that's just regular shit for us, right? So it would be like getting close to our Latin American heritage. Yeah, Polythene, that's some hard shit to do, dude, on Blender. Can you download these models and check out the UVs, how they are laid out in the texture? Yeah, I don't know how that works. Okay, so this one is gonna be OBJ3 props, small house 3 props. Let me open up Aseprite so I can do the layout of that texture. Yeah, okay, so let me open up that file. Small house OBJ3 props. Yo, people, the sacrificing shit about cats and newborns was a fucking joke. Don't go and clip that shit and cancel me. Okay, yeah, there it is. So, face, selected color. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I should have done this. Fucking stupid. Okay, save. Let's open it up again. Yeah, I'm gonna open the file again. This one. Polyfilm says you can buy the models, but she has all the examples of the UVs and textures and talks about the process. Check it out. Okay, let's check it out. Oh shit, this is gonna really make me feel like shit, dude. Seeing this girl's work and the texturing work. Oh shit. Okay, so let me bring my browser into the main monitor and shit. Oh fuck. Yeah, dude. Fuck me. That is some cool ass texturing and UV layout. Shit, dude. This is some hard work shit. Yeah, this girl is a pro. Yeah, she's a fucking pro. Yeah, so check it out, people. It's this. These textures that I'm seeing here, it's this model that I'm gonna show you here. Check out this shit. Yeah, this shit is no joke. But she even took the time to do the animation for like the wind, for some of those things moving around there. Shit, dude. Yeah. I knew it, dude. I knew it. This was gonna inspire me, but at the same time, make my stupid ass vending machine look like shit. Polythene, good stuff, dude. Dude, that is very inspiring work. Yeah, dude. For fucking sure. That is really, really inspiring work. Polythene says it's based on the illustration work by Sam Busma. His work is great if you don't know him. I do not know Sam Busma, dude. It really looks nice. Serax is laughing. Yeah, dude. You know You know the vibe, you know the drill. When you see this cool ass fucking good artists. Yeah, dude, holy shit. Okay, so let's do this one. Let's do another layer, and this one I'm gonna do like, let me grab this color and let me do this shape. So it's like a diagonal, right? Yeah, like a diagonal cube. So this one I'm gonna rotate it a bit like this. Yeah, it's something like this, right? Yeah. So let me check out the reference. Yeah, it's like in all of the fronts, something like that. I'm gonna extend this one to here. Yeah, I think that works. Okay, so now, oh shit, dude, this is not the, yeah, I was doing it on the same layer. Yeah. Okay, let's do it again. So Polyfilm says Sam Bosma. Okay, let me check out Sam Bosma. Dude, give me just a sec while I will set up this texture so we can check out who this Sam Bosma is. Other artists that's gonna make us feel like shit, but this is the drill. Let's get inspired by better people than us. Yeah, I really like that. Yeah, getting inspired by better artists than me, for fucking sure. Okay, so yeah, that one works. Let me save this one. Let's go back into Blockbench. Let's refresh this one. Load file. Oh yeah, there it is. Check it out. That works. Polyfin sends San Bosma. Sure, don't let me distract you. No, dude, don't worry. Don't worry. Thank you for sharing stuff. It's really inspiring, Polyfin. Yeah, dude. Really put things into perspective. Oh shit, this Sam Bosma, guys. Oh my god. Holy fucking shit. Yeah, dude. Very, very beautiful. Yeah, this guy is a total pro. Sam Bosma, people. Okay, let me get back to the home page so I can see the other illustration. Is it loading? Yeah, let's try it again. No, Polyfilm, yeah, don't worry, dude, don't worry. This is cool. Oh shit, we've got Chappie there. Fuck yeah. Oh, Tintin. No, this is Bully, yeah. Look, I just thought about Tintin, but it's Bully, yeah. Yeah, that's really cool. Oh, here it is. There it is, the 3D model. Ah, yeah, dude. Both Sam Bosma and this other girl, they're fucking pros, dude. Yeah, good shit, Polyfilm. They are really, really fucking pros. Holy shit. She really turned this shit into a 3D illustration, dude. Good stuff. Good shit, Polyfilm. Yeah. So check it out, people. The illustration that was there, this is the texture, the UV unwrapping, and this is the motherfucking 3D model of that. Can you believe that shit? Yeah, thank you, Polyfilm. Good stuff, dude. If you have anything else to share, like your references, your inspirations, just keep it coming, dude. Sedax is a cool combination by the two. Yeah, dude. Polyfilm says, what browser are you using? Looks painful to use. What do you think it's painful to use? Because of the sidebar of that UI? It's because of that, dude. I am using Arc browser. Yeah. I like it, dude. I like it. Yeah, I like our browser. It's got really cool features. So yeah, Polyfilm, are you talking about the sidebar? That's why it looks painful to use? Shit. Polyfilm is a browser hater. Okay. So let's keep going. Okay, on these boxes, I had been meaning to add some like detail. Polyfilm says you couldn't go back the page. Yeah, dude, that was a bug. Yeah, that was a bug. No, it's not common. It's not common. And that just happened on that website. Yeah, let me open it up on that. Yeah. Yeah, that was a bug, dude, and it's not common. Yeah, let me try it on this one again. Yeah, dude. Yeah, it was a bug of Arc browser. Yeah, dude. There are bugs on Arc browser. I like the workflow of it and the UI, but it has been a bit buggy because it's not a native Windows app. I had been using Arc browser coming from Mac when I only had my Mac, and I loved it so much that it has been hard for me to go back to other browser because I fucking like the UI so much. But yeah, dude. Yeah. Oh shit, Joey Toro rated with a party of 2 viewers. What's up, Joey? What's up? Thank you for being here. Polyphony says, I guess it's because I use a mouse with 8 extra buttons, so navigation is quick. Yeah, dude, that may also be like your crazy ass sci-fi mouse. Yo, what's up? And whomever's coming with Joey Raiders. Joey Raiders, what is up, people? Thank you for being here. So I'm just painting the stuff that I was working on yesterday. I'm trying to make that progress. Joey Toro sending love. Joey says, hi, everyone. Hi, Joey. How was your live stream, dude? Did you end up doing the progress that you wanted to make? I hope so, dude. I'm very sorry that I went earlier, dude, and I started talking some crazy ass jokes and shit. But yeah, you know the drill. You know the drill. It was because of you that I ended up dancing yesterday, so yeah, I had to go today and hang out with you. Polyphony says on Twitch, and about the illustration, as I told you, I'm a data hoarder, and being a fan of illustration and visual artists, I do have a big database of visual artists and art, so anytime. Yeah, dude. Yeah, one of these days you're gonna have to share some of that with me. Polyphony says hello to Joey. Joey Toro says hi. Yeah, dude, how was the end of your live stream? Your chat was fucking lit today, earlier, Joey. Yeah, people were coming in. You've got new people in your community and shit. People were vibing, dude. So did it keep being that way for the rest of the stream, or it was more chill at the end of the stream? Okay, so let's check out the reference. Okay, those ones are cool. Let's do the same thing here for this one. Okay, so it would be something like that. Yeah, that's too light. Let me find the right. Okay, this one. Joe Toro says was more chill towards the end. Okay, dude. Yeah, makes sense. Every live stream is different, dude. Yesterday, the beginning of the live stream was like, I was like, where the fuck is everyone? Why is no one chatting? This feels so weird. This is so silent. I feel alone. And you remember the end of the live stream, right? So yeah, different kind of live stream. Sometimes the live stream starts crazy and ends up chill. Sometimes it starts chill and ends up crazy. That is the power of Twitch. You never know when you're gonna have a crazy one. Seraxi says to Joey Toro, hello, Joey Toro. Yeah, what's up, dude? What are you gonna do now, Joey? You're gonna go and have a bite? You're gonna go and chill, have a walk in San Francisco and shit? What is the vibe for Joey Toro on the weekend? Okay, so let's do the beverages. Yeah, let's do the fucking beverages. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So let me check out the references. Yeah, some very, very simple beverages. So let's just make them Coca-Colas. Yeah, fuck it. Let's just make them Coca-Colas. Dude, the zoom is a bit broken today in Blockbench. Yeah, I cannot zoom anymore here. Yeah, so what the fuck is up with that, Blockbench? Okay, let's do it here. Okay, so let's get a red. I'm gonna be going back and forth between Aseprite and this one. Yeah, and Blockbench. Let's do this one. Okay, there they are. Joe Toro says hi to Seraxis. Joe Toro says I'm gonna work on this render so I don't fall too behind. Laugh out loud. Good stuff, dude. Good stuff. One has to be productive whenever you have to be productive, and if you know you have to be productive, dude, you gotta do it. Yeah, don't slack. Dude, Bit went to work, right? He said he was like grinding on some bugs and shit. So yeah, we are very sorry for Bit. Rest in peace, Bit. Working late on the Friday night. Polyphony says make up the names of the sodas like Nerdy Cola or Punk Pepper. Dude, that would be really cool. But I don't think I have enough resolution on these textures. Yeah, I wouldn't think that I have enough resolution like to have any names that are like readable. Or, but I could make it like in the UI, right? Where you go into the vending machine and you select what the fuck you want. So yeah, that's a good idea, Polfim. I'm gonna have to take notes on that to see like which is the best implementation. But on the can, we wouldn't be able to see it. Yeah, way too little amount of pixels. Yeah, but that, yeah, Nerdy Cola. Yeah, Nerdy Cola, Punk Pepper. Yeah, Punk Pepper. I could do a Poly Pepper or a Poly Cola. Polyfin says, I love when in-games artists make up shit in the world of the game, like fake brands and movie posters. Yes, dude, I also love that shit. I also love Easter eggs from other games or movies and shit inside a game. That is a nice touch also. Yeah, we could do the Joey Poly Cola. Yeah, Joey Poly Pepper. Seraxis Cola and shit. We could do that. Polyfin says, yeah, that also. Yeah, dude, I have to figure out like the UI for a vending machine when you get close to it and shit. Because here, I'm just gonna like have to paint like some random. Yeah, check it out. I don't have enough pixels to do anything that looks decent. So I'm just gonna have to add like some random, yeah, patterns there. Yeah, like that. Yeah, the Spaceman is not gonna be able to even get close to these assets like the camera, so we're not gonna even be able to see many of these details. I do them just for the sake of doing them, just so that they look decent in a way. But yeah, Polyphone says energy drink Kaye Joey Bull. Could be Joey Bull. Yeah. Joey, do you drink energy drinks, dude? I do not. Polyphone told me that you also do not drink Red Bull or anything like that. Yeah, I do not. Who does drink energy drinks here in the community? What is the vibe there with the energy drinks, people? Okay, so check out the Coca-Cola cans. Yeah, they do not look that stupid. Just by seeing the shapes and shit and the pattern, you know these are Cokes. Yeah, it's so ingrained into our subconscious that we know these are Cokes. Yeah, that is the vibe. Joe Torres says coffee only though, for real. Okay, dude. So good stuff. It's healthy. It's healthy. I do not discriminate against people that drink energy drinks. I don't do them because of health reasons. I think I'm just afraid of them. Joey says true. Actually, some people do call me Joey Bull. The fuck, dude? Were you like the bull in your early days with the ladies? Or it's because of your last name? It could be because you were the bull with the ladies and shit. No, I know that Toro because of bull, dude. Dude, I am Latin American. I know what Toro means. that was so funny, dude. That was so funny. Yo, Toro laughing. Yeah, dude, you could explain what Toro means to an American, but to me, dude, I know more about Toro than you, Joey. Yeah, I know even more about Toros than you. Okay, let's go. Let's save up this one. Let's save it. Let's go back into Aseprite. And let's do the same thing. I'm gonna open it up again. Okay, there it is. Where is the red? Like the crazy ass red. Genki Dev says Bubes. Bubes. What is Bubes, dude? What is Bubes, Genki Dev? Shit, what the fuck is Bubes, dude? Polyphone says we were not sure for a second there, Nerdy. Really, dude? You were not sure what the fuck is Toro? Yeah, but I'm thinking that Joey was like the bull with the ladies and shit, like, and the high school. Yeah, heartbreaker. And people just started saying, oh, there comes the bull. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, dude. With this curly hair and shit. And people were like, oh, there goes Bull. Yeah, the pumpkin, Bull. People just called him Bull, dude. Yeah, he was the man in high school. Your Taurus is mostly because I'm stubborn and Taurus. Oh. So that, yeah, that sounds like also Bull, dude. That really sounds like a good combination to start calling you Bull. It makes a lot of fucking sense, Joey. That has good logic behind it, for fucking sure. Okay, let's do this one. Yo, Genki Dev, what the fuck is Bubes, dude? Is this like some Australian term that I do not know in English, Australian English? Yeah. What would be pubes? Okay, let's refresh this one. Did I save it? No, I didn't. Okay, let's go back. I want to see like where am I placing that? Dude, where the fuck are you? I thought I was like painting you where it should be. Okay, let me try another layer. Yeah, so this one around here. Let's save this one. Let's go back into Blockbench. Oh, it's this one. Yeah, I wasn't refreshing the right one. Okay, there it is. Oh yeah, it's a bit up that I have to do it. Polyphene says to Joey Toro, triple combo. Yeah, Joey, you've got the curly hair, the stubborn, the Taurus. You're like the triple combo, dude, for a crazy person. Just joking, dude. Just fucking joking. Genki, then where the fuck did you go, dude? With that, what the fuck was pubes? Now I am intrigued. Polyphene, Joe Toro, Seraxis, does anyone else know, Anthony? What the fuck is pubes? What Genki Dev said? I don't know what the fuck is pubes. Joe says no escaping who I am. You are not escaping who you are. Yeah, dude. Polyphene says boobs. I was thinking that it was boobs, dude. But I wouldn't pronounce it as boobs. It sounds like boobs with the W. So I was thinking it was boobs. But then I thought to myself, doesn't sound like boobs. It sounds like boobs. So, Genki Dev, was it boobs, dude? Because I read it as boobs with the W. Yeah. Okay, this one looks fine. Let's keep going. Let's look at the reference. So what else can we do? Yeah. Oh, the fuck happened, dude? I had already painted the fucking Coca-Colas. Dude, what the fuck? What the fuck? Blockbench. I had already painted the Coca-Colas. Yeah, I thought. Oh shit, dude. Genki Dev says yes, it was boobs. Teraxi says boobs with a weird accent. Oh, so it's boobs, like that's how Australians say boobs. Genki Dev, Joey Toro is like, holy shit. Yeah, the fucking Coca-Colas, dude. I lost that shit. Yeah. This happens to me because I make fun of all of you. Yeah, Genki Dev. Is this like the good way of saying boobs on the other side of the world? Yeah, dude. I thought it was boobs, but the W made me doubt. Yeah, I had a doubt. Oh, shit, dude. I can't believe I had to make the fucking Cokes again. You believe this shit? Shit. Yeah, okay. Let's do the fucking Cokes again. Holy shit, dude. Okay, so let's paint here. Awesome. Let's keep going. Okay, so this one, I'm just gonna make it very quickly. Okay, so there it is. So check it out. There it is. Coca-Cola. Another Coca-Cola. Another Coca-Cola. Another Coca-Cola. All of you people must be, what the fuck is up with this guy repeating that Coca-Cola phrase? You know the drill, people. You know the drill. I am fucking crazy. You must be crazy like me in a good way, because you keep coming in here and we keep having a lot of fun. So I love you, crazy group of game devs, artists, developers, 3D modelers and shit. Everyone that comes here. I really love you people. You make my night every night. Okay. Now they look like Coca-Colas again. So Blockbench, don't fuck this shit up. Let me save it as... Let me save it up again. I'm gonna close this one. Let me open it up again. Do we have the Coca-Colas? Okay, there they are. Yeah, this is the right texture. So now I'm gonna do the same thing that I had done with this one. Yeah, let's see if this one works for the pattern. Yo, dude, Genki Dev, I was in your Instagram, dude, and I was seeing like you were like for fucking real with the martial arts and shit, and you can really kick our asses and shit. So I'm not gonna troll you anymore because of that, because of the martial arts and shit. This guy is the real deal, people. He can really kick our asses. So no trolling Genki Dev anymore. Yeah, he was like next to this guy that looked like Professor Miyagi, dude. Yeah, for fucking sure. Polyphil says, man, I want some pancakes right now. Dude. Yes. Fuck yes, I would really like some pancakes also. The other day, my sister made some crepes in the middle of the fucking night. And I finished the stream in the middle of midnight and I went to eat some crepes. So that could be a good idea, Polyphil. Serax is laughing. Yeah, dude. Yes, I'm not joking. This Genki Dev, I saw his Instagram. He was next to this guy that really looked like Miyagi, and I was like, "Holy shit, dude! You are serious about this martial arts stuff? You can really kick my ass." So I'm just gonna stop talking shit. Genki Dev says, "Oh shit! Check this out! Check this out!" So Genki Dev says that was Bruce Lee's training partner and best friend. Holy fucking shit! Oh shit. Genki Dev says, I trained with him for 6 hours. Yeah, dude. You are no joke. You are no fucking joke. Yeah, dude. Yeah, this guy's no joke. He really can kick our asses. So I'm not gonna troll you anymore, dude. I respect you. Dude, he really looked like Miyagi. And it's so crazy that you say that he is Bruce Lee's best friend. That is some crazy ass fucking story. HM says, I've seen this fridge before. Like, where, dude? Where do you think you have seen this? It looks like the classical fridge, right? Yeah, like this fridge vending machine, like from the 50s and shit. So it makes sense that you have seen that. Polyphil says, teach some martial arts secrets for the lazy ass like us, Genki Dev. Yeah, dude. What would be a good way to start with martial arts, Genki Dev? What is like your advice for lazy ass people like me and Polyphil? I had thought this year to get into Taekwondo classes here. They're close to my house and I didn't do it. Yeah, I really chickened out of those classes. But I was really thinking about it. Yeah, I think it would be a really interesting thing to do in this point in my life. Yeah, trying to at least defend myself and not being fucking stupid. Okay, so let me invert this one. Yeah, let me save this one. Let me check it out. How? Yeah, nah, this texture doesn't work. Fuck this texture. I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, so what about? Yeah, let's go into Pixel Basher. Let's do one. HM says, yeah, my ex-mom had one. Have you? Oh shit, the fuck, dude. Your ex's mom had one of these fridges. Have you been there? I smell betrayal, dude. I didn't have anything to do with your mom. I promise, HOM. I would really love to be your stepfather, but no, dude. I wasn't your stepfather. Genki Dev says, do kickboxing and Brazilian jiu-jitsu. Why, dude? Could you elaborate on that one? That is good advice. Why? Joe Torres is gonna head out for the night and get work done and lurk those. Cheers, everyone. My dude, thank you for coming in. We love you, Joey. Have a good night. Keep fucking working, dude. Keep fucking grinding. Let's fucking go. Joey Toro. Yeah, Joey in the house. Thank you for coming in, dude. Thank you for the raid as always. Polyphim sending the love to Joey. Yeah, dude. Everybody, let's send the love to Joey before he leaves. Looking forward to seeing your stream tomorrow, Joey. If you're coming tomorrow, by the way. HOM laughing. Yeah, dude. I would really have loved to be your stepfather, but very sorry, dude. It wasn't me. I wasn't that guy with the fridge and shit. Dude, yesterday you were talking about your exes. Now you're talking about your mom's exes. So what the fuck is up with you and the exes conversation? Shit. Oh, shit, HOM. Yeah, this is so funny, dude. Yeah, could you imagine me being HOM's stepdad? I could be your stepdad, dude. I would treat you well as my stepkid. I would like take you to buy ice cream and shit. I would buy you like Blender add-ons, Unreal Engine Marketplace add-ons and shit. I would be a good stepdad. Genki Dev says about the conversation about martial arts. Genki Dev says you learn everything on how to defend yourself whilst improving your fitness. I have seen that, dude. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, it's more common where I live. I haven't seen many places that teach kickboxing. Yeah, the most common one here in my country is Taekwondo. Yeah, that's the most common martial art. HOM laughing. I'm dead, says HOM. Yeah, dude, I would be a nice stepdad, dude. If I have a stepkid, if I had a stepkid and they work with Unreal Engine, I would buy them plugins in Fab Marketplace and shit, dude. Yeah, I would be cool, dude. I would be really cool. So do not underestimate me as a stepdad, HOM. Okay, let's export this one so we can apply the pattern on top of everything there. So small house, OBJ, props. This is gonna be ref pattern. Okay, let's go back into Aseprite so we can apply it to the whole thing. Yeah, good advice from Genki Dev. Yeah, people, if you want to get into martial arts, he recommends. This guy's a pro. He's like the real deal, people. He's like making games about fighting, about martial arts. He loves martial arts cartoons. He trains with Bruce Lee's best friend, and yeah, he can really kick our asses. So I would really take this guy's advice. And he says that the best way to learn self-defense is through Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and kickboxing. Those are the ones that are gonna get you to be fit and also, yeah, help you with self-defense. So Genki Dev on the motherfucking house, training with Miyagi and shit. Polyphene says buying a gun. Dude, we could buy a gun. We were talking about guns earlier in Joey's Toro stream because this person called Dora with a gun came into Joey's live stream. That was so funny. Genki Dev says, Taekwondo is good, but I fought a few black belts and kickboxing has better fundamentals. Oh, so you've kicked their asses. Yeah. HM says Street Fighter. He's making a game, dude, in Unreal Engine with, yeah, a lot of different mechanics. And the graphical influence is has influences from Dragon Ball. This guy is like the real deal about fighting, dude. HM says buy a nuke. Fuck it. Yeah, we could buy a nuke. Yeah, dude, I could be the guy buying a nuke to defend myself, or to be your stepdad. HOM, both would work for me. Yeah, I could be like your stepdad that has nukes. Yeah, could you imagine that you could tell your friends like, oh, my stepdad, the guy that dates my mother, has some atomic bombs in his backyard. So I could be that guy also, dude. Okay. Dude, what the fuck is up with that? Serax is laughing. Genki Dev says snack. HOM, you put yourself in this position, dude. You started this. I wasn't making these jokes. I'm very sorry, but you put yourself in this position. It is what it is. You gotta deal with it. Why can't I see the motherfucking texture? Oh, it's because of the blended mode. Yeah, it's overlay. Let me try multiply. What does multiply do? Yeah, let's try multiply. Let's reduce the opacity. There. Okay, there it is. HOM laughing, dude. My stepdad couldn't be my stepdad. Holy shit, dude. How the fuck did we end up having this conversation? Polyphene says freaking dive kick. Gotta be the dumbest idea for a game, but lots of people apparently love it and did good. Which one is dive kick, dude? Let me check that out. Maybe I'm just lost, a bit lost in this conversation. And let me save this one. Let me go and check it out in Blockbench. Okay. So now we're talking. It doesn't look flat anymore. So how about this shit? Yeah. Where is this shit? Yeah. Oh, it's here. Yeah, it's here, right? Polyphene says a fighting game where you only dive kick. Anthony says everyone is crazy here. You are not wrong, Anthony. So, are you crazy like us, or are you like a regular human being? You are not wrong there, Anthony. Not at all, dude. I cannot like, yeah, argue with you. I'm not gonna argue with you because everyone is really crazy here. Okay, dive kick. So it was just about dive kicking, dude. That was the, oh shit, dude. 1,000 fucking reviews on this game. These motherfuckers are millionaires because of this crazy ass game, dude. Holy shit. Yeah, I didn't know about this one, Polyphim. Yeah, not at all, dude. Yeah, that's some crazy ass game. And they made a lot of money. Hezef says, what's up, y'all? Check it out, people who is on the motherfucking house. What's up, Haze? We're just talking, dude. Anthony says, I am crazy like us. Good stuff, dude. It's good that you're crazy like us. Hezef, we were just talking. I was telling to, because HOM, I dated HOM's mother when he was younger. I was his stepdad when he was younger, dude. Yeah, we were talking about how I was as a stepdad. I bought like good Unreal Engine marketplace assets for him when I was dating his mom and shit. So yeah, that was the conversation we were having, Hayes. HOM says, I really need that isometric camera. I went back to fix it. And I sent my ex about it. She said, make a new game. Dude, why? Why? Hayes Dev laughing. Genki Dev says, Hayes. Yeah, Polyphone says hello to Hayes. HOM, why the fucking fuck are you talking with your ex? Yeah, dude. Let's start that conversation. Why are you talking with her? Don't do that, dude. Don't put yourself in that position. His Dev says, yo, to Polyphone. Yeah, HOM, what the fuck is up with that, dude? I can't keep talking with exes, dude. Yeah, I don't even know how you can do that. It makes me think that there is a bit of love still there for the cabbage head ex. HM says, shit is stepdad and he lies. He bought us a... I did buy all of the family, of HOM's family, a 1950s fridge. Yeah, very sorry, dude. I didn't have enough money. So you have to use this one, the old fridge. Okay, let me save this one. Let's go back into Blockbench. Let's change this file. Is that the one? Yeah, okay, there it is. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, let's move that mesh again back. Polyphone says, I still talk pretty much with most of my exes. Isn't that normal? Oh my god, dude. I would say that, yeah, it would be normal for many people. I cannot. Yeah, it's not that I'm saying that people that do it are wrong. For me, it's just like, yeah, dude, it's too fucking weird, dude. Yeah, it would just make the process of getting over this person harder, dude. Yeah, so I would definitely not talk to exes like HOM and asking opinions about the game that I'm making. Could you imagine, dude, if I went to my last ex and asked her, what do you think about this game that I'm making in this new map, this bug? Could you help me with this bug? So this was the conversation that HOM was having with his ex. And I'm like, why the fuck are you having this conversation with your ex, dude? Yeah, I wouldn't go to my ex and ask, and to any ex to ask her about the game that I'm making. Polyphone says, I mean, they still are cool people I enjoy talking to and vice versa. So yeah, I know, dude. I know. Yeah, I wouldn't say that any of my exes are bad people, but Polyphone, you're Colombian, so you're gonna understand this phrase. Donde hubo fuego, cenizas quedan. I think you know that is true. Yeah. So I think it's more for practical reasons. Yeah, not because they are bad people. HM says, I keep a good bridge with my exes. Don't break up on hate. Oh, no, dude. I haven't broken up on hate with any of my exes. It's just that there was love in between there and shit, and it makes it hard to move forward. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Hezdev says, if I ever had an ex, I wouldn't talk to them. Laugh out loud. Okay, dude, welcome to the club. It would be way too hard for me to get over this person, dude. Yeah, because there was love in between and shit, so it's hard. Polyphone says, that's true, but you gotta tame that dick. Yeah, Polyphone. Yeah, you gotta tame that dick, dude. Yeah, for fucking sure. Yeah. So you know where I'm coming from. I am not hating on the exes. I'm just saying that shit, dude, that just makes it. Imagine, dude, I get a new girlfriend and I tell her, yeah, I am friend with all of my previous 5 exes. Yeah, Chum says she better answer me that cabbage shit. She better answer you and help you to solve the motherfucking bug, dude. Yeah, cabbage head, HOM's ex, wherever you are, please help this guy with the bug, because his former stepfather, me, couldn't help him with that. Yeah, Polyphene is right. You gotta tame that dick. Hezdev, let's get back to Hezdev, because check it out. Hezdev said it in an interesting way. If I ever had an ex, Hezdev hasn't had a girlfriend. So, dude, it's good that you're gonna give us your perspective of why you wouldn't talk to your ex. Yeah, because you're the one that hasn't had an ex. So elaborate on that answer, Hezdev. Yeah, that's a good one. Let's listen your take, because you're the only one that can have a different take than the rest of us. Yeah, so let's hope that your cabbage head ex-girlfriend HOM can answer to your calling and help you with the bugs, dude. Let's hope that she does. Okay, so this part, it's like brown, right? Let's do that brown part. I'm thinking that should I make it? Yeah, I'm gonna make it on another layer. So enable layers, create a new layer, and let's do this one with the paint bucket and the face. Okay, the fuck, dude. Why are you painting that in that way? Yeah, that's really weird. Yeah, but I understand what's happening. Yeah, doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm waiting for Hayes' take. That is a good take, because you're like the one that has a more neutral opinion on this. Yeah, Polypheme still loves his exes. That's what I got from that conversation. He does. He just doesn't know how to decide on which one to stay with. He loves his exes. HOM still loves his last cabbage head ex. Because if not, why the fuck would I be asking the cabbage head ex about the bugs on my game? So, Polyphene says, you asshole. Oh shit! Oh shit! Hezdev says, I'm a very strong lover. Oh shit! I'm gonna read this one. This one's deep. Okay, so Hezdev said, why would you not talk to an ex if you had one? Hezdev says, I'm a very strong lover, as in when I'm attached to someone and care for them a lot, there's no way I could talk to someone that I guess broke my heart or lost access to someone I cared about and talk to every day or whatever. Yeah, dude. Hezdev just described me also. Yeah, welcome to the club, Hayes. That would be my same response. That's the same response. I get you, dude. Yeah. For some of you, it may sound cheesy and shit, but yeah, I am the same, like Hayes. HM says she's a better programmer than me for now anyway. Your ex... Dude, holy shit. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, shit, dude. How did you end up meeting her, HOM? Yeah, how did you end up meeting your programmer ex? Let's start that conversation. Yeah, but I get what Hezdev said. Yeah, it isn't hate. Yeah, it isn't hate. It's like deep haze, says Genki Dev. Yeah, that was some deep shit, dude. Some really, really deep shit. And it's the same for me. That would be like my exact same response, the one that Hezdev said. It's not that I hate them and shit. I haven't ended up in bad terms with any of my exes. It's just what Hezdev said. Yeah, for fucking sure, dude. It's like way too hard to keep interacting with a person that, yeah, you loved a lot and shit, and now you are not a couple. I think that would work if you were like co-parenting and shit, but if you're not co-parenting, yeah, yeah, it would be easier to not do it. Unless you want to go back with them like HOM and Polyphene. Unless, right, you want to do that. So, yeah, different kind of situations. Hezdev says, love hard and cry hard. Yeah, dude. Love hard and cry hard. Fuck yeah. Yeah. May sound funny for some people and shit, but I get you totally, Haze. Yeah, this is some philosophical Haze today. Yeah, it's so crazy, dude, that yesterday we were dancing. Polyphene says, no, I get you. Most of our relationships have been intense, but you know, time passes, you grow, meet new people, and it would be a bummer if that person you enjoy time with you couldn't talk to anymore. Unless you fell in love with a bitch, or you were the bitch. I haven't fallen in love with any bitch, dude. By the way, yeah, I can't talk shit about any of my exes, not in any way. They were good people and shit. I hope they're happy and shit. I don't know what's happening in their lives and shit. So I think you should find peace in that, right? In that you enjoy the moments and shit. And yeah, I just learned to let go. Yeah, but I understand, dude. I understand what you're saying. It's hard to. It would be a bummer if that person you're in time with you couldn't talk to anymore. I totally get you, Polyphene. That is also truth. HM says, I don't believe that. In that, I'm 30, too old to give a shit about past emotions. I'm too old. Dude. Yeah. And what don't you believe? Of all the things that we've said, what is the specific one that you don't believe? Yeah, I do give a shit about past emotions. It would be unmanageable for me to keep like talking every day to exes, dude. I don't know how you and Polyphene do it. You must have like a different kind of brain, because I cannot do it. I'm like Haze, totally. Haze Dev says, I'm very emotional about states of my friendships. I couldn't imagine a lover. That kind of pain must be another level. It is fucking another level, Haze. You just describe it as it is, dude. Yeah, it is. It fucking is another level, Haze. Yeah, dude. So whenever that happens to you, dude, please, yeah, do not unalive yourself, Haze, because it's gonna fucking hurt, dude. But life goes on. Life goes on. Yeah, this is very deep shit. Can you believe this shit? Yesterday, I was fucking dancing, talking about being on a nightclub, and now we're talking about this deep shit. But yeah, Polyphene, I get you, dude. I get you. If you can manage it, well, it's okay, right? Polyphene says, well, you're assuming I talk every day to them. But no. What the heck? I was assuming you talk to them every day, dude. I was like, holy shit. This guy is so way too cool talking with their exes every day. So yeah, I was like, yeah, you're way too chill about this. But now I understand. Like, yeah, from time to time you catch up with them, right? Yeah, that makes sense. Polyphene says that is crazy. HM says absolutely nothing of that. It's understanding before emotions to me. Yeah, dude. Yeah, everybody deals with things in their own way, in their own way. Some people can manage it, some people cannot. I would say that I'm like Haze. I cannot manage it, dude. Yeah, I feel things. You can see me here being like fucking stupid and being like a clown ass and shit, like fucking crazy. But yeah, I feel emotions in a very, very deep way, dude. So I'm totally in Haze's team. Yeah, it's not about hate. It's just that too hard to fucking manage, dude. Yeah. I have to deal with my own fucking self, dude, and shit. So dealing with exes in my day-to-day would be like way too fucking weird. Polyphene says, grow up, kids. Fuck you, dude. Oh shit. Yeah, this is a good fucking conversation. Let's keep this shit going. Yeah, this is a good one. Haze says to Polyphene, fuck you. Yeah, this is an endearing fuck you, people. We say fuck you to each other constantly. This is the vibe. If you're new here, don't take it in an offensive way. Haze says, I think about even friendships that I felt on a deep level for when I was even a little kid and get emotional about them even today while in bed or whatever. I'm a chill emotional guy. I can see that, Haze. I can really see that, dude. And I get you, dude. I get you where you're coming from and shit. And that's life, dude. It's fucking hard. It is what it is. It's hard. And there are people and days and times where you can like keep having contact with people. There are people who will you never talk again. And you gotta find peace in that fact. HOM laughing. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that fuck you came from the heart. That was like, fuck you, dude. Polyphene says, I am too, man. It's normal. Yeah, it is normal, dude. Yeah, I know. Yeah, just from knowing Polyphene throughout this months, these past few months, I can tell that you're an emotional guy, dude. You are a teddy bear. You can say the opposite, but you are a teddy bear, dude. You are not fooling anyone. Okay, let's paint some details here on these boxes. Let's do it on another layer so I can reduce the opacity of this one so I can export the whole thing. Yeah, dude, it's some deep stuff. This is deep shit for fucking sure. Some people can manage it, some people cannot manage it. It is what it is. Yeah, to each their own. To each their own. If you can do it, do it. Hesdev sending love. Polyphene saying, but I ain't saying the opposite like yesterday. This ain't black or white either. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's the nuances of every topic. It can never be black and white, any topic. Yeah, not at all, dude. So yeah, you may have contact with some exes, with other exes you will definitely not have contact. I would say that the Polyphene, I'm gonna ask this one. HOM says, it's all fun and games. There's nothing better than fixing a failed relationship regardless of where it's going. Dude, no. Fuck you, dude. You want to get back with Cabbage Head. You want to get back with her. No, this message is too fucking deep for you to tell me that you do not want to get back with Cabbage Head. Yeah, you want to get back with her. So you love her, dude. So I would recommend you to get her back for fucking sure. Polyphene says, and I'm talking from my experience and context, which for all intent and purpose might not apply to yours. No, dude, I get you. You really don't have to like clear that out. Everyone has their own experience in life and shit. And yeah, everyone has dealt with things in a different way. Different traumas, different experiences, different happy moments and shit. Yeah, that's how it is. HOM says, I speak to 3 of my exes sometimes, just bug their new boyfriends. Yeah, that was the thing that I was gonna ask to Polyphene and to you. So, HOM, I think we are clear that you want to get back with Cabbage Head because you said better than fixing a failed relationship regardless of where it's going and shit. I think you want to get back with her, dude. So I think you should just do it. You love her, so just fucking do it. Polyphemes, I was meaning to ask you, are you right now in a relationship, Polypheme, or not? Genki Dev says, how on earth does Nerdy concentrate whilst talking about this stuff? Dude, I don't even fucking know. Dude. I didn't even know what live streaming was like a couple months ago, dude. So I'm just like having fun. I don't even know how I fucking do this, dude. Yeah, that's some crazy shit. But I end up like cooked at the end of this stream. Like my attention span is totally fucking cooked, dude. So I can just do this at the end of the day for fucking sure. Yeah, oh, I like that. Yeah, this one looks cool. Yeah, check out the gradient. Yeah, this is cool. Fuck yeah. Polyphene says, no, I'm not. Okay, so that makes it easy, right, to talk with exes, dude. I would say that a current partner wouldn't like it, I think. Yeah, it may be, some people may think that it's not mature thinking that way, but I think that many people wouldn't feel comfortable about one talking with exes while you're in a relationship with them. Polyphene says that was more for Hayes, but then that it's okay that he feels that way. Yeah, it's okay, Hayes. It's totally okay, dude. For fucking sure. Hayes says the fact you're referring to her as cabbage so casually is making me laugh my ass off. Dude, I didn't start this. It was HOM. He said that she had a cabbage head. I do not know her name, so I have to refer to her as cabbage head. HOM says, no, dude, an X is an X for a reason. But she's a good sport, though. I do not believe you. I don't believe shit about this phrase. That sentence is a fucking lie. You want to get back with her. You love cabbage head. HOM says cabbage head. Anthony says, I want to get back with my ex, but I don't know where she is. Dude, this is like, everybody was like laughing about the exes and shit. And Anthony just came in with the darkest of the darkest exes story, dude. Holy shit, dude. I'm very sorry, dude. What the fuck happened with her or him or her? Like, where the fuck did they go? Yeah, Anthony, that is some deep shit. Bit on the motherfucking house, dude. We're talking about exes, Bit. You just came in the best time, dude. Yeah. You want to talk about your exes, Bit? Yeah, we started. HOM started with this conversation because he was talking about his cabbage head ex. He wants to get back with her. I think he should marry her. This is the love of his life. Cabbage head is the love of HOM's life. So you should get back with her. Bit says, laugh out loud. No. Hayden says, Beat is gonna talk about his 40-year-old exes. Yeah, dude, you should talk about those. Bit says, I live the past in the past. Learn from your experience and move on, man. Go with the flow. Everybody's like a deep fucking poet today. All the crazy people, Hayes, Polytheme, Beat, are saying deep stuff. This is a good live stream, people. Yeah. Things are deep today. HM says to Hayes, you should meet her mom, Cauliflower Head. Yeah. So Cabbage Head has a cauliflower head, mom. People, this is some inside joke from the HOM's lore. Polyphene says to Beat, just look closely to that emoji and it's not some raw chicken as I had been thinking. Dude, I don't even know what that emoji is. Sometimes I think it's chicken, sometimes I think it's like nipples or boobs. I don't even know what the fuck that emoji is, but Bit is the one that uses it the most. Dev laughing to HOM. Yeah, she has a cauliflower head. Yeah, oh shit, this is so fucking funny, dude. This is some funny shit, dude. I cannot believe this shit, people. Yeah, Bit doesn't want to talk about the exes. He says that we should leave the past in the past. Yeah, he said it in a very deep way, serious way. Okay, so the gradients are fucking cool. Yeah, the gradients are cool. I like this shit. Fuck yeah. Okay, let's reduce the opacity of this one, like 50. I think, yeah. There it is. Fuck yeah. Let's look at it in 3D. Okay, let's export this. Let's bring this. These boxes were like around here. Okay, written comments. Spit says, I spent a lot of time reflecting on my failed relationships, but not always in a healthy way. Get a Facebook and be alone with your thoughts and you will learn a lot about yourself. Yes, dude. Yes, dude. Fuck yeah. You are completely right. Oh my. What the fuck? Oh shit. Wear a Pikachu hat and wiggle the ears. Redeemed by Bit. Let's fucking do it. Dude, I just fucked up the... Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter. The house is not part of this model. So, Bit, what you said, yes, dude. I get you. I get you where this is coming from. But the conversation started because HOM and Polytheme can manage talking with their exes from time to time. Not every day, but from time to time. And I said to them that I couldn't. That this is where the conversation has been coming from. Hesdef says, it's been raining lately, not a bad thing for me. I've been in the deep thought last few days thinking about life. Dude, I get you. I get you. I come here, people, to hang out and talk shit and have fun and be fucking crazy, dancing shit. But I constantly do what Hestev is saying, like thinking deep about life. After the live stream, before the live stream, throughout the day. Yeah, I am a chronic overthinker. For sure, Hayes. I get you, dude. But says past should stay in the past, in my opinion. Yeah, dude, but other people can manage it. Polyphene says, is there a Mrs. Nerdy Punk? Or Mr.? No, Mrs. Nerdy Punk, dude. No, it would be Mrs., dude. And there is no Mrs. Nerdy Punk right now in this point in my life. There have been some Mrs. Nerdy Punks. But I'm single, dude, at this point in my life. I think that you all fucking know that I'm single because... Which kind of motherfucker would be live streaming each fucking night for 60 days in a row for 3 fucking hours? This is like the time where couples talk, right? the last hours of the night. So if I come here, you can really figure out that I am single. HM says pass, ass. BBL, hell yeah. Oh, the fuck, are we getting back to the Brazilian butt list, dude? HDev says, I'm also a chronic overthinker. It's a bit disabling to some degree. It's a big obstacle that I'm constantly trying to overcome. Don't worry about it, dude. I think you're in an age where it's not easy to manage. Yeah, that shit is not easy to manage. Yeah, dude, that's life, Hayes. Don't overthink it. You're this is not something bad about you. It's gonna bring you good stuff, dude. Yeah, being someone that feels in a deep way. But says, yeah, man, social media is toxic as fuck. It is. HM says, my girlfriend is on Real Engine 5 for now. Yeah, welcome to the club. But says, I deleted most of my social media. You have TikTok. Yeah, I saw you are on TikTok. I saw you're there. It says, I don't message people on there. I just watch memes. Yeah, dude. Yeah, social media. I have had 4 Facebook profiles and 5 Instagram profiles because I keep closing them throughout the years. I have an existential crisis and I close it. I go through the existential crisis and I open one a year later and shit. So yeah, yeah, I know what you're saying. I have had 5 Instagrams and 4 Facebooks and shit. Yeah, because social media can be overwhelming. Yeah, for sure. For sure. HDev says to beat, I just mainly use TikTok and Discord. Social media is so unhealthy to my mental health, seeing all this bullshit online. I just talk to friends and watch memes on TikTok. Yeah, dude, I get you. I don't watch TikTok because I told you. Check this out, people. Check this shit out. This was the conversation we were talking about the other day about TikTok. That TikTok is gonna show you the things like the content from your country and your society. So it creates these echo chambers, right? So the content may not be as cool in different places. And I was talking with this new fellow game dev friend from Japan. He was the guy that was sending me photos from the festival, from the Tokyo Indie Game Summit, from my booth. And he asked me this. Check this shit out. He asked me, he was asking me, how do I get to start talking, or get contact and reach a more Western community for my game? He told me, and I told me you could try Reddit, you could try TikTok and shit. And I told him, how is TikTok in Japan? Are people using TikTok in Japan? And he answered me this. Check this shit out. I'm gonna copy it into DeepL so you can check out the response. And he said to me this. He's tried posting videos in English for his game. And he said, TikTok is used by a lot of young people. I've been trying TikTok for a while, but it doesn't seem to be reaching people from other countries. Although Vietnamese and Japanese people are looking at it a lot. So the shit that I was telling you people, TikTok works in that way. So a Japanese game dev cannot reach Americans. Yeah, because of how the localization of the app works. And he wants to reach Americans. He has posted in English and he cannot do it because of how it works. And the VPNs, I haven't figured out a VPN that can bypass that. Yeah, very, very interesting conversation. Paulson says, I mean, if you're using social media to lurk, access profiles, that's 100% on you. Yeah, it is 100% on you. 100%. Achom says, laugh out loud, Polly. Bit says to Hayes, yeah, social media is fake. Everyone only lets you see what they want you to see. And all these apps are good for is making you feel bad about yourself, comparing yourself to others. Yeah, dude, that is true. That is the fucking truth. Bit says, I deleted Facebook over 3 years ago and it was the best decision I made. I used to look at Facebook 5 times a fucking day. Dude, that is some rookie numbers. Yeah, 5 times a fucking day is some rookie numbers. When I was addicted to Facebook, dude, or Instagram, I was watching that shit 30 fucking times a day. HM says it's all about the algorithm. Yeah, dude. HDev says also just having to see so much fucking negativity and hatred on a daily basis on social media. It's a full-time job to find the good part of social media. Yeah, dude. Polyphim says, yeah, distorts your reality hardcore. It does, dude. It does. We can try to defend all of these social medias and shit. I could tell to all of you, yeah, Twitter is cool for me because I've managed to promote my game to Japanese game devs and shit. And it has been cool in that way for me. But I wouldn't say that Twitter is not toxic and it doesn't distort reality. It fucking does, people. All social media, Instagram, I think Instagram is the worst for all of us young people because it makes us feel like that other people are in a better place in life than us because people only show the best of their lives. I think that's the one that distorts reality the most, Instagram. Yeah, people tend to want to show that they are living perfect lives. Anthony says, I have TikTok, but don't use it. Yeah, dude, I get you. I have a TikTok, but don't use it also. Saraxi says, I deleted Instagram for 5 months. Didn't see a reason to have the app. I just have it, dude, to promote my game. Yeah, that's the only reason. But I don't use it in a social way anymore. I don't use it to check out my previous work partners or people from high school lives or people from school and shit. No, it's not for social life. I just use the chat for practical game development marketing reasons. That's how I use social media. I don't use it anymore for in a social way. HOM says, I didn't delete shit, I just use them when I need them. What do you use them for, HOM? That is the question. It's not if you use them, but what do you use them? I think at this point in my life, I can manage having an Instagram and Facebook and shit because I don't give a fuck anymore. But when I was younger, that shit really fucked up with my perception of reality. And it could really make you feel like shit and that people are in a better place, in a better shape than you. Polyphine says, I delete and install Instagram constantly. Not good for my ADD. Yeah, dude. Also, I did manage to delete Facebook like 10 years ago and never looked back. That place is successful. It is, dude. I would say all of them are successful. Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, in their own way, they are successful. I deleted Facebook when I was younger, dude, because I got frustrated. When I was like, I would say like, this would have been like 11 years ago, 10 years ago. I was like trying to become an illustrator, a graphic designer, illustrator. And I was posting my art and my stuff on Facebook and shit. And I was seeing that people didn't support my stuff, my art. And I got frustrated. I got really, really frustrated and really, really cynical about it. So, yeah, I just wanted to be part of the art community of my city. That's what I wanted to use it. And I didn't feel the support that I thought that I was gonna get, and I felt really, really bad, really, really cynical about it, and I closed it, and I never went back to it until like a couple years ago when I opened up a Facebook. I just have like some random 100 friends. I don't even know who these people are. They're just game devs from game dev groups. I opened it just to manage the Facebook page that I have. But yeah, dude, I get you. It can really fuck up your reality. HOM says, Facebook for marketplace, Instagram for art, and TikTok for market my own game. I made an account that I only publish indie game shorts in it to make it fit the algorithm when I start to market my game. Yeah, dude. That is the best way of using them. Instagram for art, Facebook for marketplace, and TikTok to market stuff. Yeah, dude. That's cool. Polyphone says, true. Internet's been rotting for a long time. It has, dude. It has. It is a reflection of how fucking crazy society is. For fucking sure. Okay, let's bring these ones into Unreal Engine just for the sake of seeing how they look with the lighting of the engine. Okay, I'm gonna export this one. OBJ props. Yeah, social media is hard, people, and I'm 31 years old now. I don't give a flying fuck. I can dance here. I can make myself look ridiculous. I can do cringe stuff. I can say stupid stuff. But I wasn't like this when I was younger. For fucking true. Yeah, for fucking sure. I wasn't like this. I was like a chronic overthinker, being way too self-aware, trying to think about if people were watching what I posted and shit. I really worried about that when I was like 21, 20 years. Yeah, I really worried about that shit. And there comes a point where maybe I've seen like 35-year-olds, 40-year-olds still being worried about this and living in that social media reality. I don't give a fuck anymore. I'll just post for practical reasons, which is promoting my work, promoting my gaming shit, building a community and shit. I don't use it in a social way to compete with anyone anymore. But I could understand why many people have stopped using it because of those reasons. Yeah, because it can really break your fucking mind. Paulfin says the irony of it all is that we're talking about to each other where? Yeah, on the internet, dude. On the internet, for fucking sure. I love the fucking internet, Polyphim. If it wasn't for the internet, dude, I don't even know where the fuck would I be, like mentally. Yeah, like my mental health, dude. I really, and people could cancel me for saying this shit, but I don't give a fuck what I was saying. I really do not like my country, dude. I don't like my country. I don't like the reality of my country. I don't like how things are and shit. So I don't like going out, dude. This is not a nice place. I don't like this place. If it wasn't for the fucking internet, dude, I wouldn't even know where the fuck would I be, dude. So I would say that yes, the internet can be toxic and shit, but if you take it in the good way, it can really save you, dude. And I would say that it really saved me. HM says, yeah, Polyphene, buddy, in 2010 shit was crazy in the internet compared to today. Really, dude? I would say that it's the same type of crazy, not more or less. I would say that it's the same. HM says, from a high point of view today, people are sick of it. Oh yeah, I get you. Yeah, people are getting sick of it. They are understanding the implications in the mental health of each other, right? In 2010, people were just like, oh shit, this is the best thing that has happened to humanity. And no, dude, we really gotta manage this. Genki Dev says, what do you do for work, nerdy, besides being a skydiving instructor and being HOM stepdad? So most of the time, dude, I am HOM stepdad. I go and date his mom. But the rest of the time, I work in the game. And I am living, yeah, I have been a freelancer, dude. Graphic designer, freelancer, making websites, graphic design, editing videos and shit. That is like my profession, dude. That's where I make money when I can. But mostly, dude, in this point in my life, I just try living with savings and shit, keeping like my expenses to the lowest so I can finish the game, dude. But if you're asking my profession, it's that one, dude. I have worked in marketing, graphic design, video editing and shit, websites and shit, web design and shit. But I try to keep it to the minimum, just enough to not get my bank account to zero. Polyphone says, I get you, nerdy. This meme summarizes it for me. Okay, let me check out the meme, dude. Yeah, so I hope that I answered your question, Genki Dev. Yeah, so yeah, most of the time working on the game, dude. Yeah, I'm trying to be a full-time game dev. And when I wanna chill, I'm just HOM's stepdad. Yeah. Okay, so this is what Polyphone said. What it feels like listening to podcasts. It does feel like this, dude. It does feel like this. Dude, this is some Latin American meme. It's crazy that it ended up being used in English, because this is from Latin America. Yeah, fucking podcast, dude. Everybody's making a podcast. I had a fucking podcast, people. I had 2 fucking podcasts in the pandemic. HM says he also likes to buy 1950 fridges and sell it for profits. Yeah, I do. I do like to do that. When I'm not like playing baseball and catch and buying assets for HOM in the fab marketplace. Yeah, so I try to be a good stepdad to HOM. Okay, so let's go to this one. Let's import the props. Let's see how they look. OBJ3, small hull props. This one's gonna be 100, and let's check it out. There they are. Yeah, fuck yeah. I'm gonna fix the pivot point on this one. Yeah, I'm gonna fix the pivot point. Give me just a sec. Polyphone says, well, nerdy, better make a hella great game. Dude, I'm trying to make a good game. You're never sure if people are gonna like it or not. But I'm trying to make a good game, dude. With the tools that I have and the knowledge that I have. I know that I cannot make like a fucking epic, like the best fucking game graphic wise and coding wise and shit. So I know what my knowledge is. I know what my limitations are, and I'm trying to do the best that I can with that reality. Polyphony says, Jesus, make the best game you possibly can then. Yes. Yes, because it would be fucking overwhelming, dude. If I was like thinking that I was gonna make the next Undertale. It would be cool, dude, if I became a millionaire like Toby Fox. But I think that that is a really overwhelming thought to have. So I'm just trying to live every day, get into the next day and the next day until I finish it and have a good game. I think that makes me happy. I feel good about it when I finish it. Feel that I gave my best to it. But this is a crazy industry, dude. You never know if it's gonna go well. Yeah, you're never sure about it. HM says I might need a humble bundle. Your game is fun. I can tell already. Thank you, dude. Thank you for saying that. That I appreciate it. I'm setting up the playtesting for the demo and shit. I'll let all of you people know. HM says Toby Cox. No, dude. Toby Fox, not Toby Cox. Polyphony says just take the freaking encouragement. Don't overthink it. I'm a fucking chronic overthinker. Yeah, I think that if I am way too positive, I could jinx it. But Polyphony, I thank you, dude. Thank you for saying that. Yeah, I'm gonna make a fucking good game, dude. Yeah, I'm aiming for that. I'm giving it my best to make the best fucking game possible that I can. So thank you, dude. Thank you for saying that. I'm gonna take the encouragement. Yeah, dude, you are fucking right. I should just take the freaking encouragement. Polyphony in the motherfucking house. Keki that says your game is already looking better than Undertale. Dude, but games are about mechanics and stories and shit. There are better looking games all throughout the place, all throughout the world than Undertale that are not better than Undertale. That is like the most extreme example that you can use, right? About graphics. Yeah. And yeah, it's better, right, dude, to try to make good looking graphics. I take my time. I like my game to look nice and shit. Yeah, but at the end of the day, it's the gameplay and the fun. Yeah. Yeah, so it's good to have a mix of both. But people have gotten away with not having the graphics part. Yeah, history has shown that. Undertale is one example. Minecraft is another example. Yeah, so one has to find a balance there. I try to have nice looking graphics in my own fictional pixel art way. Just because I like it, dude. Because I enjoy the process of doing it. Of crafting a world and shit. I just do it because of that. Yeah. Genki Dev says, Mike Hunt. Polyphony says, Undertale has its charm visually. I like it. Yeah, dude. Undertale has its charm visually. Visually and also in mechanics, dude. Mechanics and story. It is not a coincidence that it ended up being what it ended up being. Yeah, not at all, dude. Not at all. Okay, so yeah, the props look cool. They do look cool. Okay, so we've got a couple like AC units just hanging there. Yeah, let's create the material. Yeah, but yeah, Polyphony, I'm trying to make the best fucking game possible, dude. Yeah, for sure. But I'm always like that, dude. I'm an optimistic person about life. But at the same time, I know that not everything in life goes our way. Yeah, so... Yeah. Yeah, dude. It's deep. It's deep. It's deep. Not knowing if things are gonna go well. And you don't want to jinx it. Yeah. By being like overly sure about things going well. I have been like that in some points in my life. Sometimes they do go well and sometimes they don't. So I just tend to like manage reality as it comes. As it is what it is. Whatever happens, happens. Okay, this one's gonna be small house. Props. 03. Okay, there it is. Let's apply this one. Did we change it? Yeah, we did. Yeah, deep stuff, dude. Deep stuff. Yeah. Not easy. It's not easy. This is not an easy process. It's a hard life. It's what I was saying yesterday to Anton. Many YouTubers, content creators make it look way more poetic than it is. Polyphim, did you see Indie Game the movie? I'm assuming you saw that movie, dude. Maybe younger people haven't seen that movie, but I'm assuming that you have seen that one. And the next thing that I'm gonna say, it's because of that movie. Okay, this one is Mall House Props 3. Okay, there it is. Let's do this one with mask material. Yeah. So let's go and find that one. HM says, yeah, the game dev market is getting bigger by the second, but I think your game is fun. Thank you, my dude. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate all of you people support, the encouragement. I take it, dude. I really take it to heart. But at the same time, there is something in the back of my mind that never knows how things are gonna go. Paulson says, yeah, that shit pumped me. Then reality hit me. Yeah, exactly. That's what I was gonna get to. So in the game, the movie is the story of three big ass successful game developer teams. The one is from the Fest game, the other one is Braid, Jonathan Blow, The Witness, and the other one is Super Meat Boy, Edmund McMillan and Tommy Refence. And what I was gonna say about this movie, if you haven't watched it, is that, dude, none of these guys seem to be enjoying themselves in the process of making successful games. They really thought that they were fucking up their lives and shit. They weren't that optimistic and shit. Yeah, you just gotta work hard. The optimism doesn't necessarily it's gonna bring a successful game to reality. It's just working hard. That's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, I am not necessarily optimistic every day. There are days in which I am, there are days in which I'm not. But what I'm trying to say about this process and about the movie is that even these big ass successful indie game devs were going through some hard shit, and they really looked like they were going insane. Yeah, the movie really pumps you. I think that if you watch the movie and you still want to make games after seeing how much those guys suffered, you are good to go to start making a game. And you're gonna suffer 10 times more than what you saw the people suffer in the movie. It's hard. It's fucking hard. Yeah, for fucking sure. Okay, so how the fuck am I gonna set that one? Polyphon says there's a point. You hear Edmund saying he would kill himself if the game fails. Yeah, dude. Also, yeah, the guy from Fest says that shit also. Yeah, Phil Fish. Phil says it. He says, so Edmund says something like that, and Phil says, if I don't finish this game, I'm gonna kill myself. Yeah, it is some dark shit. Yeah, making games and shit. And being optimistic doesn't necessarily is gonna pay you back. If you put in the work, it may happen, right? Yeah, working hard is more important than being optimistic. And most of the time, you may not be optimistic, especially if you're working by yourself or just a two-person team. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard. Chum says that's the fraud syndrome talking. It's like asking a singer if their next album is gonna be great. They will say, hell, they don't know. That doesn't mean that the album is not gonna be a hit. Yeah, dude, that is also a reality, right? Because if you are critical and realistic about your own work, you're never gonna see it as the best thing. Never. So yeah, if you wanna be good, you never say those things about your work. You're critical and wanna become better, right? That is the work. Always trying to be better. Oh, Bit redeemed the fucking Pikachu hat. Oh my god, dude. I forgot that shit, Bit. Dude, I am very sorry, dude. I am a total asshole. The conversation was so deep that I forgot about it. Dude, Bit, if you're still there, dude, I'm very sorry, dude. I'm very sorry. I am paying you back. Yeah. So there it is, the Pikachu hat redeemed by Bit 26 fucking minutes ago. I'm a total asshole, people. Yeah, Bit, I'm very sorry, dude. Yeah, I'm very sorry. So there it is. We wiggle the ears and shit. Yeah, dude. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, making games is fucking hard. It's not an easy process. And you go through ups and downs and ups and downs and ups and downs. Paulson says, but yeah, the movie pumped me like it's possible. Then I installed Blender, Aseprite, Unity, and a DAW, and I got overwhelmed and stopped. Dude, welcome to the motherfucking club. That really happened to me when I watched the movie. This is the first game that I think I'm gonna finish and release on Steam, dude. Yeah, I hope that I don't fucking die before I finish the fucking game, dude. But yeah, this is the one that I'm gonna do it. But I tried many other projects just like you after I watched Indie Game, the movie, many times. Each time after I watched the movie, I thought to myself, this is the time. This is the time. I'm gonna finally make a game. I started making a game. I got overwhelmed and I failed and I stopped. Yeah, dude. So, not an easy process. Not at all. I get you, dude. But there has to come a time in which you should really fucking do it. Yeah, just go for it. Full. Go all in. I went all in with this one. This was the time I went all in. I am now, yeah, knee deep into this shit. For fucking sure. So, at some point, you gotta do it. HRM says, I kind of feel the same way as these guys. I'm 24 hours a day at home working and watching it. If shit doesn't work, I'll destroy everything. Dude, I think I'm in a better mental shape than these guys from the Indie Game movie. Yeah, in a way better mental shape. If my game fails, I'm gonna feel fucking sad, dude. I'm pretty fucking sure I could get into a depression and shit. But yeah, I would not destroy everything. I would not unalive myself and shit like they said in the movie. Because I have failed in other things in life, dude. Yeah, I have had success in other things in life, other projects. I have failed in other things and other projects. And I know how to deal with that shit, and life just goes on. And it can always be worse, dude. Like, failing with an indie game is not like even close to losing a loved one, dude. So the kind of, yeah, the kind of feeling, the hurt feeling that you can get, it's not gonna be even close to the worst things in life. Yeah, so having a failed game, yeah, it's gonna make me fucking sad. I'm not saying that it's not gonna make me sad, but I don't think it's gonna break me. Like I was seeing in the movie, those guys they really looked that they were gonna like, if things didn't go well for them, they would really fucking unalive themselves. Yeah, they were very intense about it. I am not in that point in my life, dude. I have failed in the past. I have failed. I have had success, and I just go to the next thing, next project, keep grinding, find a new thing to do, just keep going in life. Paulfin says it's a different time also. They were the beginners, so it makes it more hardcore then. It was, dude, but didn't John Carmack and John Romero went to the same thing at the beginning of the 90s? They were also that beginner. Yeah, in the game devs, dude. It was a small studio. The game Doom and Wolfenstein was very successful, but they were just living in a motherfucking house by themselves. So I think it's hardcore in every era. Every generation is hardcore making this shit. HM says, no, of course not, having a failure is not like having a loss. Yeah, dude, and that's where we get things into perspective. Yeah, having a failure, it's not even close to having a loss. So just get to the next thing. Is if things don't go well, become better, keep grinding. Yeah, just get better. HM says, Polyphim, I feel like all the beginners were hardcore. Polyphim says, yeah, I stand corrected. Yeah, dude, I would say that every generation making this shit in a serious way is fucking hardcore, dude, because this shit is fucking hard. Wherever you fucking are, wherever you are in the United States, Honduras, like me, Central America, Australia, like Yankee Dev, Haze Dev in the United States, everywhere, this is never gonna be an easy thing, dude. Yeah, never. Okay, so what the fuck was I gonna try and do? Let me try this one. Why doesn't this one have the fucking opacity, dude? I thought you were gonna have the opacity. No, this is not working. Yeah, this is not fucking working. Okay, so that one divided by 2 by 0.1. What does this do? Yeah, I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing because I'm not that focused because of the deep ass conversation we're having. Can I see the beverages? No, I cannot. 0.5. Let's try 0.5. Yeah, dude, I thought it was gonna... Yeah, how the fuck was I doing this in the other materials? I can remember in the other vending machines. Yeah, let me grab the other vending machines. Paulson says, though, I meant, like I mentioned the other day, at least you don't have to pay, like, what, $10,000, $30,000 for a patch? Yeah, dude. Like, if you had to do back then on consoles. Yeah, dude. Yeah, those guys were hardcore. Yeah. Every generation has its difficulties, dude. In different ways. Everybody's hardcore, I would say, in the game dev industry. In the game dev industry, everybody's hardcore in their own way, and everybody's taking a risk, dude. This is a financial risk for me. I'm not paying to other people, dude, but I have invested my time, my money, dude, in marketing, in resources, and shit. I could have been building a fucking family, dude, in these years working on Spaceman Memories. This is a financial and emotional and mental, all sorts of risks making a game, dude. So, yeah, dude. Yeah. If it goes well, I'm gonna be happy. Doesn't go well, I'm gonna be sad. But whichever both happen, I'm just gonna keep going, dude. To whichever next thing I'm gonna go in life. That's just how it is. Yeah. There are worse things that could happen in life. HM says true. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna remove this shit because it's fucking hot in here. Yeah, my country is like, we're like in the start of the summer, dude, and the weather is total shit. Yeah, I would really love to have an air conditioner. Holy shit. Okay, let me see this one. Yeah, okay, let me try this one. Let me try this. How did I do the other vending machines? Yeah, let me check out the other vending machines. I think that I had... Yeah, I remember. That the glass was a different thing. Yeah, let me check it out. Yeah. So let me check out the other ones. Yeah, it was another material. Yeah, I'm remembering that. Okay, so let me check out this one. Oh, we have the glass there. Static mesh. Okay, so this one. Let me see this mesh. How does this one work? Yeah, was this the one that I ended up using or not? Yeah, let me see how did I set up these meshes and these materials the other day. Yeah, I can't remember. So Polyphone says, oh yeah, I didn't mean to underestimate anybody else's effort. No, dude, I know where you're coming from, for fucking sure. I know you're a person that feels things in a deep way, dude. Yeah, but the conversation is deep. It is fucking deep. HM says, if you become rich, adopt me. Dude, I'm gonna adopt all of you if I become rich. All of you are gonna come to live in my fucking mansion where I'm gonna live stream on Twitch, and you're gonna be coming in like Kai Senat, and I'm gonna tell people this is HOM people and this is Polyphim. I brought them from Colombia in my private jet and chat on my mansion like Kai Senat, 24 hours game dev stuff. That's gonna be my vibe if I become rich, dude. HM says, nerdy game dev today is billion times easier than the 90s, and still 90% of new indie game devs end up giving up. Yeah, dude, that is another food for thought. The thing is that it seems that the tools have gotten, they're like, humanity's going in opposite ways in many ways. The tools have gotten more accessible. This is like going in this way. Tools are gotten more accessible, more cheap, better and shit. This is one way humanity going. And this is humanity going to the other way with their attention span. So this is all of us fucking our attention span while we were making the tools better. So everything was getting separated. The tools were getting better, but social media came in we fucked up our attention span, so we cannot sit down and learn shit anymore in a deep way. Hesdev says, do you think us common people are missing a puzzle piece when it comes to why aren't these rich people being this great? We all think we would be if we were rich, or are they just assholes? Let me read that one again, dude, because that is a deep one. Do you think us common people are missing a puzzle piece when it comes to why aren't these rich people being this great? We all think we would be if we were rich. Okay, now I got it. Or are they just assholes? Polystream says psychopaths. Okay, I think this is a nuanced answer, Hesdev. There are many answers to these questions. I do think, dude, that many wealth and many money is generational, dude. It goes from friends to family, and that kind of people just end up becoming psychopaths, like Polyphim said. And there are other people that built their wealth from the ground up, so they understand better the differences in social stuff, in economical stuff. So I would say that yes, dude, there are rich people who are fucking yeah, they are fucking weird, fucking crazy. But there are also rich people that are not fucking crazy, dude. And who knows, dude? Who knows which of both we would be when we became rich? Hayes, I could say that I would be like the best person in the world. I was gonna be giving away my money and helping poor people all over the world. But who knows, dude? Who knows? One would only know if that would be the reality if we get the power to have all of that money. Abdi says, hello everyone, how you all doing? We're doing good, dude. Having deep conversation. Thank you for coming back, Abdi. Paulson says, but I don't want to eat the rich, though, off the king's head for sure. Abdi says, what did you all had for breakfast? Dude, today I just had coffee. Oh no, I had an omelette. Yeah. Yeah, but that was a long time ago, Abdi. Where are you that you're asking about breakfast? And Chum says, money make you disconnected from reality. Maybe, dude. Yeah, but I've seen people that have really managed it in a good way. So I wouldn't generalize that all rich people are assholes, that they are disconnected from reality. This is nuanced. Yeah, this is a nuanced conversation. Maybe yes, Hayes. Maybe us common people are missing a puzzle on. I don't know, dude, because I am not rich. I have not like interacted or lived or have rich, really rich, wealthy friends. I do not know how their brains work and shit. But it does feel that, yeah, humans tend to change when they have power and money. People say that power and money corrupts, but does it corrupt, or does it show who we really were when we didn't have it? Who knows what is the answer to this question, dude? It is a deep question, dude. It's a deep one. Yeah, who knows how would each one of us be if we were really rich? Yeah, we were talking about that the other day, right? Because some were saying if I was like Notch, Marcus Notch person from Minecraft, if I had like the $1 billion, I would keep making games and shit. Other people said I would just stop making games. We would only know if we really had that money in our hands, dude. That's when we would find who we really are, I think, and who we're gonna become with real money in our hands. We could all say, I'm gonna be good and shit, I'm gonna be the best person in the world, but only being in that position would really show who you're gonna be. Paulson says it wouldn't disconnect you from reality. It would put you in a different reality. A reality that's based on your needs that are completely different now from most of the world. Yes, dude. And that's where things get weird. So you do not have to worry about health anymore. You don't have to worry about, your kids and your spouse and your family financially. So you start thinking about weird shit and filling up weird fucking necessities. Humans are fucking weird, dude, and when we have an excess of resources, we're just trying to pump up our dopamine, because we are those dopamine fucking monkeys, and we start trying to find other places to pump up our dopamine. That's where things get fucking weird. Yeah, because you do not have to fill those regular needs like you're saying. HM says they elevated your true self, but when you have money and power, you have the ability to do some serious damage to people, and that's the toxic trait in it. Yeah, dude. Yeah, you could. Yeah, money and power can really corrupt, and at the same time, can make you do good stuff for the world. Yeah, Genki Dev says, I just finished a 4-hour drive. Got my girlfriend to comment for me. Just watch your new reel on Instagram. Oh, your girlfriend commented on the reel, dude? That was some funny ass shit, dude. Polyphim says, yeah, besides what Nerdy said, other people just can chill and just want to fuck everything up. Just can't chill. Yeah. Yeah, I get you, dude. Yeah. Hey, I wouldn't know, dude. I would only know if I remember this phrase from Jim Carrey, which said Jim Carrey may be crazy to many people. Yeah, he may be fucking crazy, but he said a real quote, a real phrase. He said that I hope that all of you get the dreams and money that you want to get in lives, so you can see that that is not the answer. Yeah, something like that. He said something like that. So that is some deep shit, dude. We may think that we're gonna be happy and fulfilled when we get to that point, but that doesn't necessarily have to be the truth. And if you're not like happy before getting to that point of making a lot of money and shit, when you get the money, you can start being a weird ass fucking millionaire, dude. Yeah. Genki Dev says, no, she was commenting on my behalf on the stream whilst I was driving. Watch your stream the whole drive. Holy shit, dude. That's so cool. That is so cool. I imagine the weather is like shit there also, like here, like very hot. Polyphony says, kidding is one of my favorite shows. Which one is that one, dude? I'm gonna check it out. Hayes says, I think if one of us became overly wealthy, we should get a very limited time with it and can hopefully spread it as much as possible. But ultimately, I think we should just have more of a roller coaster in life where we have good shit for a while, then it goes down, up, and up again. Yeah, because that would keep you grounded. I know where you're coming from, but so it gets me back to that conversation. Genki Dev says, Mrs. Genki Dev is now a Nerdy Punk fan also. Mrs. Genki Dev, wherever you are listening, with Master Genki Dev that can kick all of our asses because he was training with Bruce Lee and Jackie Chan and shit. Yeah, sending my love to both of you, Mr. Genki Dev and Mrs. Genki Dev. Thank you for watching. You are really, really nice people. Yeah, thank you, dude. Thank you for saying that. That's so wholesome. Polyphone says, I mentioned kidding because she mentioned Jim Carrey. He's the main character there, so good. Oh, dude, yeah, that show was fucking deep. Yeah, where he was the comedian on the TV. Yeah, oh, yeah, dude, this one. Yeah, I watched this one. I had forgotten about kidding, dude. Oh, shit. Yeah, dude, this is some deep fucking TV show, dude. Way too fucking deep. I wouldn't watch kidding again. Yeah. Way too deep. I don't watch deep shows 2 times. And this is one of those. Yes, Polyphim. Yeah, I remember kidding, dude. Yeah, but what I was meaning to say, HOM, and Hezdev and everyone, Polyphim, is that we all say that when we get money and wealthy and shit, we're gonna start spreading the wealth and shit and helping other people. But, dude, when we get the resources and the money and we know that we could lose those resources and lose the comfortable life of having those resources and having these resources to live for our family to another generation and shit, that's when we as human beings, our natural thing is to just not give away the wealth, dude, because we're thinking about our kids, we're thinking about their kids, and that's where generational wealth comes from. It's just natural, yeah, human nature, I think. Yeah, just keeping the wealth. HM says, Genki, what type of game are you making? I'm gonna show you, dude. Polyphim says, Mr. Pickles, yeah. fucking deep show, dude. Polyphone says, yes, some shows are hard to watch again, like BoJack Horseman. I haven't watched that one, dude. And I think I'm never gonna watch it because all of my friends say that it is like the epitome of deep show. That stuff fucks me up, says Polyphone. Yeah, it would really fuck me up. Kind of like that sadness, though. Dude, did anyone watch this one? If you have watched this one, you know what the fuck is up with this show. If you haven't watched it, don't watch it. Midnight Gospel. Did anyone watch Midnight Gospel? This fucking show really fucking broke me. I watched it in the pandemic, and dude, at the end of this show, I was crying like a baby, like sobbing, like crying like for real. So if you want to be chill right now in this point in your life, just chill, not cry and shit, not deal with dark shit, don't watch the Midnight Gospel. But it's a really good fucking show. Genki Dev says, Hayes is very smart and mature for someone his age. I respect him greatly. He has a very good takes and extremely helpful. Yeah, dude. Yeah, Hayes is very mature for his age. I hope, Hayes, that you find whichever thing you want in life, dude. You can find a good girl that you can have a family with. I know that is one of your dreams, dude. So I hope everything goes well for you, dude. Yeah. Yeah, dude, my dude. Yeah, send in my love and my best wishes for whichever dreams that you want to have, Hayes. Yeah, you're one of the good ones. Polyphone says, oh yeah, that one as well. Yeah, dude. The Midnight Gospel is too fucking deep. Yeah, that is the show or movie or any fucking shit that I've watched that has broke me the most to really cry. Polyphone sending love to Hayes Dev. Genki Dev says, HOM, I'm trying to make a 2.5D action JRPG with an art style inspired by Dragon Ball Z. Let me show you what Genki Dev is working on, HOM. So anyone else that watching, this is Genki Dev, the master of martial arts that can kick all of our asses game. So let me find it, dude. Yeah, let me find it here on my other monitor so I can show it to people. Because this guy's the real deal, people. He can really kick your ass. Okay, so HOM, this is Genki Dev's game. Also Unreal Engine 5, 2.5D, Pixel 2D, Pixel ZD. So using some of the tools that I'm also using in my game. Yeah, check it out. It's a fighting game with pixel art in 3D. Yeah, that's the vibe of the game, dude. It has influences from Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, good shit, dude. Yeah. So there it is for anyone that's watching. Hayes Dev sending love. Genki Dev says, Hayes is a rich man because he's so young but so knowledgeable. He will do very well in life. Yeah, dude. Just keep your same principles, dude. Never change. Never become cynical, Hayes. Dude. Some girl is gonna fucking break your heart. I hope that it doesn't happen. I hope that the first girl that becomes your girlfriend becomes your wife and you stay with her instead. But there's also a possibility that doesn't happen. Someone's gonna break your heart. Never become cynical about it. Never become cynical about love. Never become cynical about life, dude. Yeah, just keep going, dude. Never compromise your principles. You have good principles. Yeah. Hesef says, sending love to Genki Dev. Genki Dev says, watch the story. New character animation is up. Okay, let's watch the story on your Instagram to see your new character animation. So this is Genki Dev's. Is this one, dude? Dude, that one looks nice, dude, in 3D. No, this is not Genki Dev, people. This is Genki Dev's. Yeah, I was joking. Oh, shit, dude. Yeah, the kick. Yeah, it looks like you, dude. Looks like you. I can picture this guy kicking ass, training with Bruce Lee's best friend and shit. Hesef says, I hope my first girlfriend is my wife. I want date just date. I will be dating for my lifelong wife. That's it, dude. That's it. If you know your own principles, everybody has different upbringings, right? Different principles, different religions, different ways of seeing life. If this is yours, dude, do not compromise it. Yeah, do not compromise it. Other people have different cultures. Everyone should just keep their own principles in their own way. Yeah, don't compromise them. Yeah, if those ones are yours, dude, just keep those. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, dude. I hope you find anything, everything in life that it's gonna make you happy, dude. I think all of us really hope that for you, dude. Cause you're the young one here, dude. You're the young one. All of us have gotten through many things. I think you also have gotten through hard shit, dude. I have really perceived that with the conversations with you. It's not that I'm saying that you haven't gone through hard things, but because we know that we've had other experiences, dude. We're like rooting for you, dude. Yeah, for fucking sure. HOM says, I'll give my opinion now. Okay. What is your opinion, HOM? Give it. Genki Dev says, hey, focus on yourself. Your development and success in the woman will come. Yeah, dude. Yeah, this is some hard times, people. This is some hard times and shit. So it's better to learn to be happy with yourself, and whenever in the least unexpected time, someone will come, Hayes. Yeah, don't overthink it, dude. Hayes says, I won't be searching for a wife for a while. I need to mentally and emotionally be ready. I don't think I am for now. I'm just focusing on myself and being the best motherfucking game dev in Unreal Engine. That was Hayes said on Twitch. HOM says, yeah, Hayes, don't rush it. Take your time. Okay, HOM, what was the opinion that you were gonna give? Yeah, what was the opinion that you were gonna give? Give it. Yeah, shoot it. Shoot. Okay, let me save this one. Let's go back to really. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do the glass with a separate mesh. Yeah, let me go this one. Let's re-import this. Re-import this one. Okay, there it is. And this one, browse to asset. Where the fuck was this glass material? Yeah, I've got the mesh. Is it this one? No, it's not that one. Which was the fucking... Oh, it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. So... okay. I can't even remember how I did the other one. Hester says, no worries, guys. I didn't plan on even dating for another 3 or 4 years. Laugh out loud. You know, dude, what is the best thing for you? Yeah, if you don't rush it, but at the same time, yeah, it wouldn't hurt you, dude, to like meet some girls and shit, just become friends and shit. Yeah, it never hurts, dude, to just have social interactions and shit. Yeah, it will help you, dude. It will help you in many ways in life. So, and you could meet the love of your life in that process, dude. That could really happen. It's not only in the movies. Polfin says, only advice, whatever you do, take care of yourself and don't have a freaking kid that young. Yes, Hayes Dev, please use protection. Yeah, don't go and get a girl pregnant right now. Yeah, finish your game, finish Eagles Out there, and then when it sells well on Steam, you can knock her up with 3 kids. That is the way. Finish the game, sell it on Steam, and then knock her up with 3 kids. Fuck it. Polyphene says HOM can hook you up with one of his exes. Yes, dude. HOM has a lot of exes. He can hook you up with one of those. And if not, dude, I could, when I break up with HOM's mom, I could just give you her number. Yeah, we could do that. Genki Dev says, I mean, doesn't mean you don't need to date or see women. Maybe just be smart and find a girl that is going to help you succeed in life. Yeah, dude, that is some good advice. Genki Dev said, without my girlfriend, she's virtually my wife. Oh, is Miss Genki Dev listening to this? Miss Genki Dev, did you hear that? Genki Dev has to put a ring on you, Miss Genki Dev, after this. So Genki Dev says, you wouldn't have become an engineer or pursued game dev without your girlfriend. Yeah, having a supportive person on your side can really change your life. Hayes Dev says, oh god, about HOM's exes and shit. HOM says, hell yeah, Hayes, come to Canada. HOM says, to me, my exes were the biggest inspiration providers and motivation I have ever received. Honestly, even more than family and friends. Plus, they push you to be better. Yeah, dude. Yeah, couples can really help you in life, even if you don't end up staying with them for the rest of your life. We hope that Genki Dev stays with Mrs. Genkidev for the rest of his life because he said she is virtually my wife. Those are some strong words. So Mrs. Genkidev, if you're listening to this, yeah, we're waiting. We're all waiting for the ring. I hope that Genkidev doesn't get angry at this, dude. I'm just joking, but you put yourself in this position. I am so sorry, but you did put yourself in this position. Okay, so what was I gonna do? Okay, I'm gonna do this in this way. Okay, so Max says on Twitch, what's up, dude? Genkidev says you are young road to Haze Dev. Meet a few girls over time and see which one is right for you. Yeah, Haze. Meet a few girls, dude. Cause yeah, dude, not necessarily the first one which would you have a relationship would be the love of your life. That happened, right? That happens. But at the same time, yeah, you gotta like balance things. Max says from creator to creator. I'm curious, how do you feel about games that make a villain who is? I'm not evil. I'm just doing what needs to be done. Pretty much a sympathetic villain. Dude, that is some deep ass question, Max. Yeah, let me answer that question. I don't think that even just video games, dude, but movies and books and shit. We've got this villain that says, I'm not evil and I'm just doing what it needs to be done in all throughout stories, in human stories that are told through video games, movies and shit. So, yeah, dude, that is fucking hard because human nature is deep, dude. Human nature is deep, and one person could be a villain for you and not a villain for other people. Let's say, which is the best example of this in real life that I could give? To give you an example, Genkidev says, Mrs. Genkidev isn't going anywhere. We have a business, house, and dog together. Maybe kids very soon. Let's fucking go. Genkidev, let's fucking go, dude. You're cooking. Polyphene says to Max, isn't that any villain? The end just justified the means and shit? No, not every villain, dude. Like the Joker just did shit just for the sake of doing crazy shit. So not every villain for fucking sure, dude. Yeah. Ah, yeah, I know what I'm gonna do. I am fucking stupid. Okay, so let me bring this one. Browse to asset. I'm gonna copy this one to the other. Yeah, Max. We've got different kind of villains in life, and HM says that's a pain from Naruto for you. It all follows the back into the story in the end and what type of trauma that man had. Yeah, dude. This could be a game dev conversation or a human nature conversation, dude. Yeah. Max says to Polypheme, well, no, I just miss the old days of the pure evil villain. Oh, so for video games. Yeah, dude. Yeah. I like pure evil villains. Yeah, like the Joker. Just, I wouldn't be the Joker, dude. But I like that motherfucker in the comic books and the movies, just being fucking stupid and making a mess and chaos just for the sake of being a villain. That is the best example, the Joker. So yeah, those were good because they are fictional stories. Yeah, and now they seem to have every time a motivation. Yeah, now I get you what you're saying. Okay, so let me read just some comments so we can get back to this one. Genkidev says, Max, I have a villain sorta like that. It's a cool concept for sure. Sorta like another protagonist who crosses paths with the player, but their goals conflict and therefore there is a conflict. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's deep. Hezdev says, the concept of dating, like just randomly go out to dinner with someone, doesn't really make sense to me. I need to be friends with someone for a while and naturally want to be with them and fall in love. Yeah, dude. That is some deep shit, Hayes. Some very romantic shit that people do not believe anymore, dude. And if you believe in that, dude, keep believing in that. Because, yeah, that's life, dude. That is real love. Better to become friends with someone first and enjoy life first with that person as a friend. And then you can know that you want to stay with this person for the rest of your life. So, yeah, dude. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I understand you. If that concept is... doesn't make sense to you, but you also gotta go through the process, right? Yeah, so both If you meet a girl, she's nice, she's a good friend and shit, invite her to a date, dude, if you like her. Genki Dev says, yeah, that's it, Hayes. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it for fucking sure. Okay, let me read. Max says, like the Horn King from Block Cauldron. Oh, which is that one, dude? Genki Dev says, I have a villain from... Polyphil says, oh, like the Joker, I think it's stupid. Oh, so you think the Joker is stupid? Interesting, dude. I think that I like the Joker because he has no fucking motivation but just being chaotic, dude. It's just a comic book. He just does shit for being fucking stupid. And it's a fictional story. Yeah. Yeah, but I get you, dude. I get you that it doesn't make sense. Polyphil says to Max, he didn't have motivations. He was just bad for the sake of being bad. Yeah, this one, dude. Max. Genki Dev says, I have a villain that's just pure evil. And another whose job is to hunt down high-powered anomalies. You can find balance. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Different kind of villains. Hesdev says, I like when a villain is just fucking crazy. Then I like a villain who isn't really a villain. He's just against the hero from deep emotional reasons. Yeah, dude. I like a villain who is just fucking crazy. Yeah, no deep motivations and shit. Yeah, it's because it's a fictional story, right? I wouldn't like this type of motherfuckers in real life. Isham says, Pain from Naruto is love villain. The Joker is one. Asian from Bleach. Death Note. And if you want Game WoW, the Lich King villain. Okay. Paulfin says, it's a complex question if you step out from the realm or just a superficial views of good versus evil. It is a complex question. That's what I was saying, that this could be a game dev question or a human nature question. If it is in the context of making games, yeah, fuck it. Just make villains that are fucking crazy just for the sake of being crazy. Yeah, it does make sense to me if you want to make it that way. But in real life, yeah, that's a more nuanced question. HM says Voldemort from Harry Potter was bad for being bad. Was he bad for being bad, dude? Or was he bad because he was resentful? Max says to Polyphim, the Horn King is the embodiment of pure, soulless evil. He doesn't seek love, redemption, or even pleasure. Only absolute darkness. That makes him one of the most terrifying villains ever put to screen. Yeah, dude, I haven't seen this guy and he sounds like very, very dark. Just by your words. Paulson says, you're right, nerdy. I'm approaching the question wrongly. No, dude. It's good because there's always an intersection of fictional shit with human nature shit. And yeah, we could see things from different perspectives, right? But in a video game, I would just make a fucking villain for being the sake of fucking villain. It being bad for the sake of being bad. It would also be interesting if he had like some deep motivations behind being bad. HM says just read some Korean manhwas villain if you like pure evil. Oh shit. I'm gonna read all of this shit that you're saying, people, because that is an interesting conversation to have for fucking sure. Okay, so what the fuck was I gonna do? Yeah, I was gonna do this one. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this one. Yeah, I didn't even know what the fuck I was getting back to Aseprite. Yeah, that is just my attention span, that it really sucks. So bear with me, people. Bear with me with my shitty ass attention span. Okay, so just this. Let me see. Yeah, no, I cannot do this. Yes, I have to go back into Aseprite for fucking sure. HM says, or Chinese, they have some evil motherfuckers. Yeah, just for being Chinese villains, Chinese villain motherfuckers, right? Yeah, each culture has their own mythology, and some have villains that are villains for the sake of being villains, and some have other motivations. Max says, I think when writing a villain in fiction, you must go into a deep mindset on what is the nature of evil. Someone like Naoki Urasawa is a master of that kind of writing. Yes, dude, but at the same time, I think you should do whichever both makes sense to you. I wouldn't say that there is a right way of doing this. We've got villains that are like have like deeper motivations and shit. There's like something behind their mindset and why they do things. And we've got the other types who just do shit for the sake of doing shit and being bad. If it depends on the type of story that you want to tell, I would say. HM says we didn't have a pure evil games other than maybe all Elder Ring bosses. Dude, like many video games from the 80s, 90s, they were just villains, dude. They were just like the bosses. We didn't overthink the story about these people. Nobody was thinking like, oh, Bowser must feel fat and that's why he is resentful towards Mario and that's why he took the princess. He just fucking took the princess, dude. We didn't give a fuck about Bowser's motivations and he was a good villain. So yeah, it depends on which kind of story you want to tell. Polyphone says to Max, so it's just a crazy psychopath, dude. Personally, I find that boring and a cop-out. But like Nerdy said, in the context of gaming, it could work. In the context of gaming. Polyphone says it's fun to watch a crazy dude wrecking shit up. Yeah, dude. Like Bowser. In the 80s, nobody was thinking, oh, poor Bowser. He must feel that Mario is cooler than him. That's why he took the princess and shit. Nobody gave a fuck about it. He just looked like a boss. He looked bad, and he was bad just for the sake of being bad. And he had a bad castle and shit. We didn't think about the backstory of Bowser. Polyphone says, well, we were also kids when we played Mario, but I getcha. Yeah, we were kids, but at the same time, we could do a platformer in this time that has a villain and a boss just for the sake of being a boss and shit. And we could also have a villain that has deeper motivations. In the context of games, do whichever works for your game and the story that you want to tell. Polyphone says, in that game, the story doesn't matter. Yes, exactly, in that game. So that depends on the thing that you want to create, the game that you want to create. That's where you should get the backstory or no backstory for your villain. HM says, in the context of gaming, nobody played Resident Evil and doesn't remember the pure evil. Yeah, dude, I did. I just remember killing zombies and shit. There was something else about it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're right, dude. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, we sometimes don't even think about many of these villains. It's good if you want to make it like deep because you want to tell a deep story. If that is your thing, do it, dude. If you want to do it, do it. If that is not your thing, don't do it. You can have the flexibility to do that in games. Who knows what is the right answer to this question? Coffee stream, but I'm a message 3 hours. Okay, let's just keep going because the conversation is cool. Okay, so what the fuck was I gonna try and do? Yeah, so this plane. Okay, so how was I gonna do this one? Yeah, so let's bring this one here. I'm gonna paste that glass. I can't even remember how I set up this glass. Yeah. Paulson says good and evil is still debated today, so who fucking knows? Yeah, I was meaning to get into that thing about human nature. Like, what would be the best example of this? Okay, the best example of good and evil, and it would depend on who you are and where you are and shit, would be Lee Kuan Yew. Do you people know who Lee Kuan Yew is? Lee Kuan Yew was, people call him the benevolent dictator and founder of Singapore. And he was some hardcore motherfucker, but he brought the country he turned the country from a third world shithole into a developed country. So some people would see Lee Kuan Yew as a villain, and some people would see him as a hero. Who knows which side of this? Yeah. Which side has the right answer? And someone says it's a deep psychological question, but for a game dev, the sense of betrayal is most evil. Yeah, dude. Yeah, so in a game, you can do whatever the fuck you want. Polyphone says anything related to politics. Yeah, I'm not trying to get into politics. I just want to give like a real life example of someone that some people can see as a villain and also like a big ass hero. I think Lee Kuan Yew would be the both things. Depends on your way of seeing life. Some people saw him as a dictator that, yeah, violated human rights and shit. Other people see him as the guy that saved the country. So this is human nature, dude. Good and evil is still debated, as you said. It is not black and white. Yeah, it's gonna be an ongoing conversation throughout human nature for all of the ages, dude. For all of the ages. Okay, so let me try this one. Vending. No, not that one. Okay. This one. So let me bring this one to this other folder. Browse to asset. Max says, Polypheme says like Pablo Escobar here. Lots of people he helped still see him as a saint. That is the best fucking example, dude. Yes, Polypheme is from Colombia. That is the best fucking example. I'm gonna continue with that one. Max says, a character like this goes beyond just being a psychopath, pure evil when done right. It's far more compelling instead of relying on a basic mental disorder as an explanation. True evil is something deliberate, calculated, and almost philosophical. A villain who embodies pure malice without the need for excuse or justifications can be the most terrifying and effective kind of antagonist, especially in movies or games where impact matters more than realism. Yes, dude. You are completely right there with that. Yeah, a villain that is like just dark, like just embodies pure malice, yeah, would be very terrifying. But that is mostly a creative decision from you or whomever is creating the game. And some people are gonna get it and some people are not gonna get it. Yeah, some people got all the backstory from Elden Ring and shit. Some people just went fighting and killing the bosses for the sake of killing them. So, yeah, it depends. If you gotta do it in a way that people will understand it and get it. Politics says, I mean, anything related to politics is a debate of who is right and wrong, and you are pure evil and you are good. Yeah, dude. Yeah, politics is like that. Pablo Escobar is the best fucking example in the world, dude. Yeah, there are people who still see him like a saint. Other people just see him as a terrorist. I don't know which opinion do you have about this character, but it's hard, dude. It's hard to get to a black or white on many of these characters. Hedgehog says, Max, defeating the character is the most satisfying thing, so that's why they were writing that way. Most evil villains are genuine geniuses for a reason. Yeah, dude. But you could also the thing that would make it compelling to kill that villain, it's just because it was hard to fucking kill, not because he was evil. So that depends, dude, on which kind of game are you making. Yeah, not every person is gonna understand the backstory of a villain. There are people who just wanna slash and kill characters in a game just for the sake of having fun. Other people like to read the lore, understand the lore, get motivated about the lore. This all depends on the kind of game that you want to make. Polyphene says to Max, I understand. Personally, I disagree. I think mainly I don't see the point of pure malice, but perhaps that is the point. If the character is crazy, isn't just mentally ill. Yeah, if he's mentally ill, Max, and he's just like very fucking crazy and that makes him bad, wouldn't that be the personification of both things at the same time, dude? Yeah, Polypheme may have a point there. Yeah, he doesn't necessarily need to be I would say that if he's like totally evil, he would have to be totally insane. Polyphene says, yeah, but lots of villains are just an excuse to have a hero. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's how it is. Matte glass vending machine 1. Okay, let me set this one up. So I can set like the opacity on this. Yeah. Opacity mask. Okay, let me check this one out. Let's go into the mesh. Polyphene says, so the kick can kick its ass and the players have fun. Yeah, dude. Yeah, so that very much depends on the kind of game that you want to make, the kind of lore that you wanna create and shit. Some people will just not, it will not make sense to them. They will not care. They just want to kill the motherfucker for the sake of finishing the game. Other people want to understand the lore and they get motivation because of that lore. HM says harder kill equal to skill-based defeat or power-up, but regardless, it's beating such villain and his part is my enemy, not his evil nature. Yeah, dude, that's what I was saying. That depends on the game. Yeah, Max. So answering to your initial question, that very much depends on the game that you want to make, how deep you want the lore to be and shit, dude. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so I can, yeah, I am out of focus here, people. For fucking sure, the conversations have been way too deep to keep my focus. That's why I tell you that I don't go into hard blueprint stuff, because I would just be like, holy shit, I cannot solve this. Yeah, but let's go and finish the other material for this one. Yeah, I had been procrastinating this one, so let's do this one. Yeah, let's go back into Blockbench, so I can keep like doing some modeling here in Blockbench while we talk. But yeah, what Polyphene says, your question has no definitive answer, just opinions. What you told me, it's totally valid. Yes, that's what I was saying. There is no definitive answer to this one. That very much depends on which kind of creator you want to be, which kind of game you want to make. Yeah, it's a deep one. Polyphene says it's not mine to go when it comes to character backgrounds, but I can enjoy it most of the time. Yeah, and other people don't give a fuck about it. Yeah. Oh, the plants. Yeah, I had been procrastinating the plants. Let's do the plants. Yeah, I procrastinated those way too much, so let's do the fucking plants. Okay, so how are we gonna do this ones? We're gonna do some planes. Yeah, that's how I did it the other time. Okay. Yeah, Polyphene, yeah, you're right, dude. You're right. There is no definitive answer. It very much depends on the kind of game that you want to make. If you're like making like a very casual game and shit, dude, where people just like an arcade, I wouldn't write a backstory for the villain, dude. I would just make him hard to kill and shit. But if I want to tell a story, a deep story and shit, and it's a big world, and there's a deep human nature stories behind all of that's happening in the game world, yeah, dude, I would have to do a deep villain and find out the motivations of this villain. Yeah, who knows what is the right answer to this question. Good question, Max. Yeah, you got the conversation going for fucking sure. Thank you, dude. I appreciate it. Okay, so yeah, let's do the plants. Yeah, the plants are gonna be very simple. You're gonna see how simple they are. Yeah, nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. Just some plain ass transparent frames that have the plants. Okay, so let's do this one. Okay, yeah, this one's gonna be another material. That's what I should have done. Stupid, fucking stupid. Yeah, that's what I should have done with the vending machine. HM says, my first-person shooter lore character is getting kidnapped, and he was an experimental sacrifice, but failed, so he turns evil with the vengeance goal. Yeah, dude. Yeah, he has his own motivations, right? But I don't. That is your game, and you know why you're making this game in that way, and that is your game, dude. But let's throw out another example. Do we even fucking remember the motivations or why the fuck we had like this demons coming from space in Doom? I don't even remember what the fuck was happening, dude. You just had to kill the fucking demons in Doom. They were coming from space and shit, and they were demons, and nobody. Yeah, you just killed them. So it very much depends on the game that you want to make. Polyphene says, I mean, the main bad guy from Divekeep doesn't need some complex background on why he's the way he is. He just needs to be a villain in Divekeep. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Victor, on YouTube. Victor Hate says, in my game, my villain would be classified as nihilistic manipulator or an existential antagonist. I go into deep detail in the story. Yes, dude, what type of game are you making, Victor? Thank you for coming in, my dude. Appreciate it. Yeah, that sounds cool. Could you elaborate more on the game that you're making, Victor? Polifin says Portal from Hell in a Doom, wasn't it? And Hell is Evil? Yes, exactly. Hell is Evil. It was a portal from Hell, and these were space marines and shit. It didn't make any fucking sense, dude. And nobody gave a fuck about it. It was this iconic game, and people had fun with it. So that depends on the game that you want to make. If you want that deep lore and shit that makes sense and connects to the motivations of the characters. HM says they came from Hell. Yeah, dude. Yeah, it was this portal that came from Hell and shit. So see, nothing fancy. They were just demons trying to kill you, and you had to fucking kill them. Yeah, that's the end of the story. Victor says, in Doom, humans open a portal to Hell to drill for energy. The demons, just demons, they doing what demons do. Yes, exactly. That's what I was saying. That is like the most extreme example of nobody gives a fuck about the villain in that type of game. But I would definitely give a fuck about the villains and the bosses and the foes in a game like Undertale. It's good to have all that fucking lore, dude. Yeah, that really gets you into the game. Yeah, so different games, different vibes. That very much depends on what you want to do, the game that you want to make, what you want to transmit, and whichever thing you have in your mind to bring into reality. Polfin says, but on the other hand, not a popular opinion. I enjoyed the way The Last of Us 2 approached the question of the villain. Dude, I never had a PlayStation. I haven't played the Last of Us 2. I'm very sorry. Maybe some of you are gonna crucify me because of that, but I didn't play it, dude. Could you elaborate on this question? It doesn't matter to me if you have to spoil it. But I didn't have consoles growing up and shit, and I haven't had a PlayStation in all of my life. Did they release the 2 for the PC already? I remember the Last of Us 1 for PC. Don't remember the 2 if it is already available. Ichom says, my character is in Hell. He wakes up in one of the villain death casts as a half skeleton with a gun. Yeah, dude, my character is a Japanese spaceman coming from a mission in space that wakes up from hypersleep, and he finds that the world has been overrun by Japanese ancient spirits. That sounds fucking crazy, right? But that's just a story that I wanted to create and I wanted to tell. So this is the good thing about games, dude. We can do whatever the fuck we want to do. Sounds crazy, but it's just like that. Yeah, so there's no definitive answer to this question. It's just what you want to do and what your game needs marketing wise, maybe, or not. Yeah, at the end of the day, you're the one that's gonna decide what you want to do and why you're doing it. Okay, let's restart this one. The music. HM says, I refuse to play The Last of Us. Genki Dev says, they took Jack and Daxter away from me. Okay. And check that out, dude. Oh. Yeah, these are PlayStation games, dude. Yeah, I haven't played many PlayStation games because I didn't have one growing up. So this one was from PlayStation 2. It was the same studio. Genki Dev. HOM laughing at Genki. Victor says, personally, if you're doing a simple game like Kirby or Mario, you don't need to go into deep philosophical storytelling. Yes, exactly. If you want to make something deep and thought-provoking, need these thoughts. Yeah. If you're like making Kirby, dude, yeah, fuck it. Just make the boss bad. Francisco Velasquez says on YouTube, The Last of Us, yes, The Last of Us 2 killed Naughty Dog for me. Oh, shit, dude. Are we getting into the deep lore of Naughty Dog? So we're getting some hate for Naughty Dog here in chat. Genki Dev says Jack and Daxter is elite, and now you hate them because you killed it. They killed it, right? Polyfilm says, I don't know about the PC ports. For me, like the exploration of those themes about what it happens after the game finishes. The first one, what consequences your actions had. I think that's the premise of The Last of Us 2. How for others, you, the hero, is the villain. Oh, so it's like the show, dude. I watched the show. So it's the same story, right? It's the same story. You enjoyed the way The Last of Us approached the question of the villain. Yes, so if it's like the HBO show, I know what you're saying. Genki Dev says, yeah, Naughty Dog. Yeah, dude, I'm very sorry that they didn't finish. Or they didn't keep making more of your games. The ones that you wanted. Polyfin says, though I enjoyed it, didn't needed a part 2. Yeah, that's what I've seen. Many people think Francisco Velasquez said it. I've seen that on the internet. People just say that it didn't really need a part 2. Yeah, dude, everyone has their own opinion and shit. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't know there was this strong opinions against Naughty Dog for The Last of Us 2. Yeah, that's interesting, dude. Okay, let's create a texture so we can create the plants. This one's gonna be small house, tier 1, props, plants, not combined islands. Let's do this one. This one would be like 32, I think. I think 32 is enough to paint the plants. Yeah, I think this is more than enough. Yeah, this one's cool. Paul says, though I enjoyed it and needed a part 2. Yeah, I read that one. Genki Devs, they deleted Jack and Dexter to make a walking simulator. Shit. Francisco Velasquez says, not Naughty Dog, but Neil Druckmann. He's a bad writer. Oh, shit, dude. Do we have any fans of Neil Druckmann in chat? Chat, do you love Neil Druckmann? Because Francisco Velasquez is hating on him. Yeah. Shit, dude. You may get roasted, dude. Are there Naughty Dog fans here? Victor says, you asked me what I'm making, but I'm doing a deep story similar to like the Yakuza games, focused on deep lore, family, and life. Oh, good shit, dude. Which engine are you using, Victor? Yeah, dude, you know why you're making this deep lore for your story. It makes sense for your game, right? So you have your own reasons. Yeah, for sure. Can I lock? Okay. Let me select all of these ones. Yeah, I'm just gonna select all of these. Can I lock all of these motherfuckers? Okay, I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah, take the easy way. Okay, let's do the plants. I'm gonna delete all of this and some very, very simple plants and shit. Okay. Dude, I can't even see the fucking faces now. Okay, let me do this one. Victor says Unreal Engine also. Good shit, dude. Good shit. So I am making also gaming on Unreal Engine. You can check it out on the link that I have there pinned on the chat on YouTube. There's the link for my game on Steam. It is a 2.5D game, the one that you're seeing here, called Spaceman Memories. It's set up in a fictional Japan, dude. It's got turn-based battles and also puzzles. Yeah, it's a classical JRPG. Thank you for coming in, Victor. That's really cool. How long have you been working on your game? Polyfilm says, no, I love part 1 and 2, but if people don't like it, hate it, or whatever, it's all right. Okay, dude. Yeah, Polyfilm is at the point that you're like sleepy right now, right, Polyfilm? That is way too chill of you. That comment is like way too chill. I think that you're gonna go to sleep soon. And Shom says, you wish if we were talking about my cabbage head. By the way, Gilgamesh, the villain, had a cabbage head too, like your ex, dude. Polyfin says, it's all good, man. Soul good, man. Yeah, soul good, man. Genki Dev says, bring back Jak 4. Said, dude, you really love this saga, right? Polyfin says, I was just yawing. Yeah, dude, yeah. I can really see your lower energy at this point of the live stream. It's fucking late, people. For me, it's 1 a.m. already. I'm gonna end the stream soon. I gotta get some sleep. I've been sleeping way too fucking late, fucking up my sleep. Not healthy. Victor says, Last of Us 1 is okay, but Last of Us 2, I feel people give it too much glaze. I played it and kind of sucked hot dog water. The story of it seemed lazy. Okay, dude, so We can see a pattern here with The Last of Us 2. But Polyphene likes it. And Polyphene is the man, people. Polyphene is the man. So he also went to Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu classes like Genki Devin. He can kick your asses. There's this Colombian Jiu-Jitsu thing. And Polyphene is like the master of this. So I would recommend you people to not get this person mad, because he can really fuck you up in this Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, this Colombian Jiu-Jitsu. HOM says no sleep today. What time is it where you are right now, dude? Polyphene says, I wasn't meant to come to just say what's up and go and watch a movie, but you know, yeah, dude. You know, I was just meaning to stream for 3 hours, and it's 3 hours and 25 minutes already. The conversations were so good today, dude. This is the good thing about the internet. There are good days, fun days, chill days, serious days. Yesterday, I was dancing. Today, we're just talking. We talked about love. We talked about the nature of life. We talk about making games. Yeah, dude, that's the good thing about live streaming. You never know what you're gonna encounter on each day. Fuck yeah, dude. Polyphene says it's called Te doy con mi machete. That's the Colombian Jiu-Jitsu. Yeah, that sounds like the Colombian Jiu-Jitsu. So this is people in English. For people that don't know Spanish, this is I will fuck you up with my machete. That's how they deal with stuff in Colombia. In all of Latin America, dude. All of Latin America. That's the way that people just deal with things. They just bring out machetes and yeah, they have duels. Polyphene sending love. Victor Hate says, my game right now is over 80 hours long. Holy shit, dude. I'm just now having my heroes meet my main villain who has been hiding and pulling strings in the shadows. Victor, are you a solo dev, dude? What kind of a game is it? It's like a 3D game, 2D game in real. Yeah, like what camera does it have, the character? Dude, that is a long game. Shit. Fravel says on YouTube, The Last of Us is very special to me. They really fucked up the second part story-wise. They say gameplay is okay, but I never played it. Dude, so you should play, dude. You do have a PlayStation. He has a PlayStation and he has never lent me his PlayStation, people. So this is a bad person in chat. Do you have those type of cousins that they have better consoles, game consoles than you, but they don't lend the consoles to you for you to play the games? So this is that person, people, in YouTube. Hisham says it's 3 o'clock at night, bro. I'm working on my game. Shit, dude, that's fucking late, dude. Hisham says, Victor, 80 hours is crazy good. Are you near dawn? So Victor says you're a solo dev, dude. Yeah, dude, that's a lot of fucking work. Do you have a Steam page, Victor? Yet? Polyphene says, what's the game about again? 80 hours is crazy. How come? Yeah. He said it before. The conversation has been so deep that I gotta go back and find that message. So Victor, do you have a Steam page, dude, where we could check out the game? That would be really cool, dude. So we could get the hang of what you're working on. That sounds like a lot of work, my dude. Yeah, props to you. Okay, so let's do, yeah, check out the plants. Yeah, I said it. I wasn't gonna make anything fancy with the fucking plants. This is gonna be really easy because I can turn these planes into other planes. Let's go back in here to outliner. Let's turn all of this. Okay, so check this one out. I'm gonna duplicate that one and I'm gonna rotate it, and voila, we have like 3D plants now. Fuck yeah. I am the 3D magician. Check it out. The plant is now 3D. It is not a flat plane. Okay, let's rotate this one. Oh, it's late where HOM is. Yeah, check out the little tree. Dude, I think I'm just gonna duplicate that motherfucker. Yeah, I already have the tree. Why the fuck would I make another one at this point of the night? It's fucking late, dude. Okay, so Victor says to HOM, my game is going to be over 200 hours long or longer when I am done with it. HOM says, hey, that's a lot, dude. But I'm all for it. Good luck. Yeah, good luck for you, Victor. Victor says, I don't have a Steam page or plan on selling it. It's just going to release it for free on Steam when I am done, just so it can be out there. Dude, that sounds like a lot of work. When are you aiming to release it, Victor? Fravel says, cool plant. Yeah, dude. It's so funny. I always go and try to take shortcuts and shit, and it ended up looking cool. So yeah, the plants are cool, dude. It's crazy that they ended up looking decent. Yeah, so check it out. We've got 3D plants now, people. You didn't expect that, right? Yeah, you thought that I was just gonna do the planes and shit, and I just did the fucking planes. But yeah, that's the thing about lazy people. We always find shortcuts to make things look cool in an easier way. Okay, so there it is to plan. Fuck yeah. So Victor, yeah, we're looking forward, dude. Whenever you release the game, yeah. How long? How much more do you think it's gonna be the development? Polyphim says to Victor, I'm curious. Is there anywhere we can see something? Yeah, Polyphim is asking Victor. Yeah, it'd be cool just to see. Do you post anywhere about the development, like on Twitter, Blue Sky, Instagram? Yeah, dude, sounds like a lot of work, dude. You got us intrigued now, Victor. You really, really got us intrigued. So there they are, the fucking plants. Oh shit, this is so funny. Okay, let's export this shit again. I think this one is gonna be export. Yeah, export small house. This one is yeah, this one is the 2 small house, 2 props. Let's save this one. Let's go back into Unreal Engine. Let's see if this refreshes in the thing that in the way that I'm thinking. So let me find this one. Browse to asset. Let's re-import with new file. Small house, 2 props. 100. Did it re-import? Oh, HOM. Oh, no, it didn't. I was thinking that Unreal Engine had crashed on me, but it didn't. So thank you, Unreal Engine, for not crashing on me. Oh no, these are the props 1. I'm fucking stupid. I replaced the wrong ones. Yeah. Victor says, with the way it's going right now, maybe sometime next year, there is a lot of mystery and deep lore. Okay, dude. Yeah, you got us intrigued. Polyphim says, add some snake plants. Those are easy to make. Which are the snake plants, dude? Let me check those out. Are these ones exclusive to Colombia? Oh, no, we have those here, too. Yes, these are easy to make. Let's make these ones. These are like the toxic ones, right? If you eat them, you can fucking die. I've seen that. You remember that story about these ones? HM says, it didn't crash. No, it didn't crash. I thought for a split second that it had crashed, but it didn't crash. Yeah. So thank you, Unreal Engine. Let's fucking save, dude, before it really crashes. Okay, fuck yes, let's go. Okay, so yeah, these were the props for the house 1. Fucking stupid. I exported the wrong ones. Okay, so where the fuck? Let me turn all of this back on. Yeah. So I can see what I'm exporting. I didn't even know because everything was hidden. Okay, there they are, the plan. Dude, where the fuck is the table? Oh, here it is. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, yeah, there is the table. Okay, so let me delete the house. Let's export this again. Yes, same thing, same process. Polyphim says, in Colombia, they're called lengua de suegra. So maybe you could die, but I don't know. Oh, shit. Fravel says those are called lengua de suegra in Spanish. Snake plant, lengua de suegra, which would be mother-in-law's tongue, people. So we Latinos have a better sense of humor than the rest of the world, because you people call it snake plant and we just call it, oh yeah, that is the one that is like the tongue of my mother-in-law. HOM says, I want to finish my game. Me and you both, dude. But this is the way. This is the way. Don't complain. Just keep fucking grinding. Okay, let's go back. Let's re-import this shit. Yeah, let's see if we have the plants now. See if we have the plants now. Did it re-import it? Yeah, there it is. Let me check it out. Oh yeah, there they are. Okay, so let's re-import the texture so we can have the plan. Um, Dude, the fuck is happening here? Didn't I replace you, dude? So let me replace this one. Replace selected actor with small house props. Okay, there they are. So now I'm gonna apply. Let me see. Let me see. Props. Small house 2. Yeah, dude, I fucked this up. This is not the name of this. This is not where I should have done this. Yeah. Yeah, no, I am way too distracted now. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to sleep before I fuck anything else. HM says snake plant sounds like a dish my ex's mother would make. The cauliflower head, dude. Your ex's ex-mother-in-law, the cauliflower head. HM says, dude, but it's going to like 5 months more. Yeah, dude, let's hope that it's like 5 months more. I'm just like, fuck it, dude. I'm just gonna finish the game. At whichever point I finish it, I'm gonna finish it, dude. So people, I'm a bit fucking tired now. I'm way too distracted, I'm not doing things in the right way. I'm confused there with the meshes and shit. Policy says I'm gonna go to bed. Me too, dude. I'm gonna go to bed. So for the people staying on Twitch, I'm gonna do a raid. If you wanna stay on Twitch, I'm gonna find someone on Twitch who I can support and raid. So yeah, thank you people for watching. I'm coming back tomorrow, 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. As always, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and follow, and especially wishlist my game on Steam. Victor says on YouTube, my game started off with simple idea. If you understood how something worked, you could make it appear in your hand. So if you knew how a genie's lamp worked, would you have a genie with magic? That is some deep lore, Victor. You got us intrigued, dude, so maybe one of these days you could show us a bit of it, just a bit. You don't have to show a lot of it. Yeah, just to get a hang of what you're doing, because it sounds interesting, my dude. Yeah, thank you for sharing your story. Thank you for coming into the stream and chatting. That was really, really nice. Eshom says good night. Polyphim says take care. Zeraxi says see you all later. Genki Dev says see ya, bro. Zeraxi says and take care, people. Yeah, take care, people, wherever you are. Thank you for coming in. If you're staying on Twitch, let's just do a raid just for the sake of spreading the love, spreading the good vibes. And if you're on YouTube, come to my Twitch channel. Let's be part of the raid so we can support someone. Yeah, let me see who's live streaming or who is not live streaming, or if I'm gonna go into, yeah, I'm just gonna go into the raid browser. Yeah, let's support someone random today. It's good to find someone random that doesn't have a lot of viewers, and we can spread the love. Okay, so let's see the raid browser here. 19 viewers, 8 viewers, someone that is making games. Yeah, I'm looking for someone making games. So Hexic, what is Hexic working on? Game dev ASMR, Unreal Engine 5. Okay, I'm gonna mute the music. Let me just mute the music. I just want to make sure that these are English speaking live streams.
In your head, but like it's not real.
Yeah, the guy looks cool, but I don't see game development. Yeah, I'm trying to find someone working in games. He looks chill, but I need to see on your screen that you're making games so I can support other game devs. I can see that he has software in game development, but I didn't see that they were making games. So how about event modeling, event sourcing? Yeah, this is web development. Yeah. I'm trying to find game development. So do not leave, people. If you're on Twitch, please, let's go and support someone.
You know what?
Unity game dev. So okay, let's go and start the raid here if you want to stay a little bit more on Twitch. So who's raiding? 3 viewers. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. 3 viewers ready to raid. 5 viewers. 6. 7. Fuck yes, people. Thank you. So have a good night, people. Thank you for coming in. I appreciate you. Stay in the raid a bit.